Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Day 3 of Manipur International Textile Expo 2025, Manitex 2025, organized under the great supervision of Department of Textile, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Directorate of Handlooms and Textile, Manipur. Manitex 2025 is organized with the theme Weaving a Sustainable Future, Manipur's Handloom Heritage to Global Fashion. And I warmly welcome everyone who are present here and thank you very much for sharing your valuable time with us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without any delay, let me invite our dignitaries on the dais. And it is my great pleasure to welcome our esteemed chief guests, respected guests on the dais, to continue our third day of Manitex 2025. First of all, I would like to invite on stage Madam Srimati Kengu Juringla, IS Secretary of Science and Technology, Special Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, Sir W. Ivol Singh, Register of Cooperative Societies, Manipur, Professor N.G. Iboyama Singh, Dean, COFT, Central Agricultural University, Kau, Imphal, Sri Alangbam Jiten Singh, Director of Handloom and Textile, Manipur, Dr. Ningombam Yaifaba, Associate Professor, Manipur University, Sir, Madam, I would like to request to kindly take your honorable seat on the dais. With great honor, I would like to invite on stage Sri Mutua Bahadur, Founder and Director, Mutua Museum, Imphal. Ikai khumnajoriba ngasi thoram asibu mapung phandaba yade haiduna lengbirakliba Sri Mutua Bahadur, Founder and Director, Mutua Museum, Imphal busu ngasi thoram asigi dais de lengkhat piraklaga sabhagi leiting oibina nabagitamak nolukna kausinjari. Thagachari, Ikai Khumnajari Singna, Dice the Lengsin Bikrava Matunda, Mayamna, Taramna, Hobokubamaga Tarano, Pinabanolukchari. Thank you. We are honored and delighted to have such a esteemed personality amidst us today. Before we continue to the next session, we wish to take opportunity to welcome our dignitaries with Lengyan and traditional gifts hamper. I would like to request directors to kindly felicitate, to kindly honor our chief guest of honor with Lengyan and traditional gifts. Presenting Lengyan to Srimati Kengu Juringla, IS Secretary of Science and Technology, Special Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur. Sri W. Ivol Singh, Register of Cooperative Society, Manipur. Presenting Lengyan and the traditional gift hamper to Professor N.G. Iboyama Singh, Jain, COFT, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Ikai Khumnajariba, Director Sri Alangbam Jiten Singh, Director of Handloom and Textile, Manipurna, Ngasigi Thoromasi Bumapong Fan, Bina Balang Berakli Ikai Khumnajariba guest, Sri Mutua Bahadur, Founder and Director, Mutua Museum Imphal, Lengyan Kudol Tambiri, Loina Na Gefemper Kudol Tambiri. Ikai Khumnajariba, Kogi Ngasigi Thorongi Dice Lengsin Biriba, Sir Director Gisu, Kogi Lengyanam, the Kudol Tambina Nabagitamak. Hangatsari, Tagazari, Koisar, Nasuya, and Habirakli. Okay. Amukahana Lengbiraklip Mayam Punamapu Taram Noksuri. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now high time to welcome each and everyone present out here on this beautiful day of Day 3 of Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2025. So I would like to invite Sir Sri Alangbam Jiten Singh, Director of Handloom and Textile Manipur, to kindly present welcome address. Ikai Kumnujuriba Director na Lengbiraklip Mayam Punamakpu Taram na Okpugi Warol Loina na Thauram gi Warol Thambina na Bagitamak Nolukchuri.
Dai the Lengshin Biriba Madam Juringla, IAS Secretary Science and Technology, Sri W. Wall, Registrar Cooperative Societies, Yamba Tamoy Biama, Matam Queen Maisur, Shep Terraida, Laibirambani, Impalda, Dean of Science Biriba, Uncle Bahadur, Matampana Makta Mayam, the Sakang Mayam the Kangire. Hari Baposai, Lisanba, Prijap Topa, Aduga Lamdam Sir Lariba, Kogi, Hariba, Karamayek, Masonjing, Matampuna Makta, Prijap Tono Honabada, Chowatarang Lobiriba, Mang the Lengshin Biriba, Mapandaki Lakpa Buyer Sing, the Pamingi official Kwaipunamak, CDs, designers sing, Maman Jalaba Kogi weavers, artisans sing, among them. National awardees, state awardees, Padma series, and to stall Pambiriba, Amadi, Mediagi, Sinina Kwai Punamak. Aina Narang Chodum Tamjay, Aduga, Aingasi, Taj Lingshin Biriba, respected Madam the Kogi Saribol, Tamoy Boyama, Uncle Bahadur, the get Maroin among the Lingshin Biriba, top designer sing. Koi number 2018 dagi Manipur International Textile Expo si masiki platform ka hawdukhi bani madu ahamba hawdukpa matamda lamboi khwanang kongda leiba koi trade center da hawdukhi bani matamda 3000 lum aikoi Manipur go weaver jing di genthokhi 2018 matung dagi 19 dagi di haiba mafam si da koi semgala kanda 19 20 aikoi lakhre even 21 gi covid matamda only one day aikoi tauki Thangna na sahi matamdugi 2018, 19, 20 Manipurda matamdugi Department of Textile Commerce Industry Makada Lajariba Directorate of Handloom Textile ki adugumba scheme lerami outgradation lum outgradation scheme haidana aikoina thaina khwangda sarambal lum singasi matamgi matungina aikoi magi technology ji upgrade tawdaba yaraktaba khwangda saba phi ama numit Thamakai, Numikuni, even Tha, the Changba. Yon Mamatam, the Matam, Queen Changba, Amadi Langi, Amhena Magi, can say density, but Madam Morocanda Koina. Sariba Michuaba, Yon Mamatam, the Sud, Thama Changa Saba, Ani Changa Saba, Ponina, Po John Mamatam, the Lishing Taragi, Maya, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, even 12,000 Jova. High river posting a sea Matau Karam Torokanda, Maman Handa Lakshike, Aduga, Karatuni, Yana, Utopa Yana Honavada. Manipur the Lariba, Kogi, Pichalon Satoriba, me lak, a hungi matak the Lariba, a Kogi Sinbamju Pivi River, quite Punamak throw Satalum, Natagana fly Satalum, and the Kangariba Lumjer Laka Ding Asagi, Kwanga Saramba, PC, no Madamanga Truk Sadu Ribani. Aduna Marmaraga production capacity Hagalapa, Aduga Mamangi Cospector Handarapa. In the meantime, Sarkana Matamatangi, not only by the government of India, but also by the state government. Matamatamgi matungina aikoina langda subsidy piraga ngasi phawbad lai matamdugi oramba milget prize gi mamando lejaramaga taraga so ngasi jo chief minister jan scheme haidana department na government dana 15% ma piba aikoina 15% pirakanda all together cotton da 30% aikoina pisabi sing da phangali at the same time silk government dana 10% pi matamda aikoina 20% piri silk acrylic Samana Kona 20% Pangali. Aduna Maram Swan Torokan Lamdam Leva Pisavi, Punamaking Asi Lum Augustin scheme, Amadi Yarn subsidy Pirakan, and Sibu Lapajina, Hantak Mamang Hogi Basahi 2023-24, the day Manipur Tokiva conflicts number Morakana Pangtoki Dragat Chu Sarkargi instruction Gimatungina, Amadi हजिक लेरिबा कन्फ्लिक्ट की इशू जे खर मखै लेतबगुम ओइरकपा इम्प्रूवमेंट लाकपा सिना मरम ओरकांदा कोई हौगिबा नुमित कुनी चौराना 20 डेज मुक्सिदा मणिपुर इंटरनेशनल टेक्सटाइल एक्सपो से अखोई अमुक हन तौसी तौदब यारक्त्रे हाइब खुदम जिना कराइदा तोगेबो उखरुल की सिरोल लेली फेस्टिवल पांगथोरपा देन उखरुल की जगह अमदा अखोई पुसिंगी एरियादा तौबा अनदर प्रोग्राम अमु पांगथोकिबा यामना इंचिंग लेमना इंगना चिंगना मणिपुरदा शांति हंजलकपचिग मरम ओइरकांदा अखोई सिगी मणिपुर इंटरनेशनल टेक्सटाइल एक्सपो से शॉर्ट पीरियड ता अखोइना हाइरिबा अखोई नीलकुथी एरिया से पांगथोगा लाकपनी लाइबा नुमित 13-15 अखोइना सिनबा प्रोग्राम से करमाइना सिनजगी हाइबबो सही होगिबा सही सिंगदे अखोइना स्टॉल साबमक्ता ओरसु अखोई परमानेंट स्टॉल लेइबसिना लेजरगसु अखोई इथनिक ग्रुप पुनमकी स्टॉल सिंग अखोई सिर लई कनागी तांखुल ग्रुप की अखोई लई मैतै गिसु लई अतोप जाति मयाम गिसु लई रोंगमै कांगबु गिसु लई कबुई रोंगमै कांगबु गिसु लई अतोप जाति की अखोई सिदा सारकना 30 स्टॉल से परमानेंट स्टॉल ने लेबनी हाइबा स्टॉल सिगी अपार्ट हेंतोरा कांदा अखोइना अनदर स्टॉल सिंग से अखोई हाँ तीन अखोई टेन हाउस तौर खनबदु नतबा खजितंग यूनिक ओइबा मखल की स्टॉल सिंग कोई मथम मफम सिदा अखोई सिदा इंट्रोड्यूस तौर कांदा मपादगी अखोइना इनवाइट तौरिबा बायर सिंग इंटरनेशनल बायर लेबाक 13 रिप्रेजेंट तौर कांदा अखोई सिगुंबा मखल की इंटरनेशनल टेक्सटाइल एक्सपो सिदा सरुक याबा लाकपिरी ngarang maktara अखोइना कनो जे अखोई फैशन शोदा लेबा पोलमका अखोई अदुम डिमांड फंगी सिमिलरली जापान दगी लाकपा बायर सिना ngarang आइगोंदगी हाउना सिदा लेबा अखोई फिसाबी मयाम एंटरप्रेन्योर सिंग अमदी अतोप डिजाइनर सिंग तानरगा पोट खरा मा सेलेक्टेड तौरेबा हाइबा सेलेक्टेड तौरिबा पोसे करिनो हाइबसिबदी आइगा मखा ताना खनगिनी माजु मखा ताना थीरी तौबदबु माना हंगिबसी फिसाबी सिंग सारिबा फीसे यामना कोई कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मांगरंग हाइबतुनी मयामांगदा कलर दा कईदा मखोइना जापान दा पांब कलर जे सिनी तबदबु सारिबा पोषक से फैब्रिक से प्योरली ऑर्गेनिक ओहेनिंगबा कॉटन ओइगदबा अतोपा मखल की अमत ओइदबा हौजी हौजिक सु आइना हाकी ममांगदा आई मैडम सु खंगबिरी हौजिक चीफ सेक्रेटरी नंगरा अखोगी डॉक्टर रजनीकांत पद्मश्री लापदुगी मखा तबा फॉलो अप एक्शन अमोइना सीएस ना अखोई मणिपुर पुनः ऑल टुगेदर 51 GI तौजी हाइबगी प्लानिंग अदुगी मनुंगदा आउट ऑफ 51 प्रोडक्ट GI रजिस्ट्रेशन तौजी हाइबसिदा मैक्सिमम दी हेलमेट हैंडक्राफ्ट की प्रोडक्ट आंगता ओइबा सिना मरम ओरकांदा मांगदा लेंचिन बिरिबा अखोगी वीवर फिसा लोंसा तौबिबा खुचा हाइबा हाइबी ख्वाई पुनमकी अचौबा कदोगी थौदांग हाइबा तारगदी पोट अमा अखोइना GI तौग्रा मतुंगदगी पोसी साजगे हाइबगी ऑथोराइज यूजर से रजिस्टर तौदबा यारक्तबगी अदुंबा स्टेप मैम गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम में लाखिबा सिना मरम ओरकांदा कोई फिसाबीसिंग अमदी आर्टिजन ख्वाइपन मंगसु मसी आइडिया से खरा मखै फंगब ngamnaba हाइदना मखोइना मपानदगी मैन ऑफ द GI ना खंगरिबा डॉक्टर रजनीकांत पद्मश्री जे कोई कवरगा ngarang माग लेक्चर कोई तामिनदखरिबदुनी सिमिलरली हौजिक लाइबसिदा हौजिक जापान की वफम दो अमु आई खितंग कोथोर कांदा जापान की वफम लाक्जगे माना कन पामिसी ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन अदु कलर कॉम्बिनेशन दा अखोइदा फंगिबा कलर खरजे सिदा नतबा अतोप कलर दे कोई मैम कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कोई सायबा बट मोर प्रेफर कलर दी मकोइना हाइरिबा अदुबो कलर सिंग दो साब ngamba taragadi she is also ready to buy some of the products continuously just to use at Japanese in sinanaba leigi hairi so mi gi buyer na pami haiba posi akoi weaver sing na khangba ma change akoi gi local consumption si yamna high oi hana khalaga su akoi high oi be akoi manung khakta gi ne yes once अखोई की लरिबा धर्म कर्म अखोई की ट्रेडिशनल फंक्शन मैम जिंग से मशीन मतम मतम करिगुंबा हंदरक तारगदी द मोर द फंक्शन मोर डिमांड ले हैब द कोई लोई खंगी अदो फंक्शन जिना तमना तमना करिगुंबा हंदरक तारगदी को लोकल कंजम्पशन जे ऑटोमेटिकली हंदरकदबनिना साइड अमदा अखोई की प्रोडक्शन से प्रोडक्ट से डाइवर्सिफाई तौरकांदा अखोई की हाने की ओइबा ओरिजिनल मोटिव ति मांगनगुमची ऑल कम्युनिटी की मोटिव सिंग अमत मांगनदना मोटिव सिंगदुदगी खजितंग प्रोडक्ट से डाइवर्सिफाई तौथोकांदा मागी फैब्रिक सी दा मैम पानो फैब्रिक से करीनो कर्म मखल की कोई लंग मखल है तारे अथा अथाब नतबा कॉटन दसु खर थाबा खर पाबा खर कुप्पा ले हाइबा मैम सिंग साब मखल से करीन पामिनो हाइबचे कोई खन नबगी दमक्ता even dye machu sangba mak to fast color ngarang hainai duni fast color ogadabani adu ogadabani hainai riba mayam puna maksing si khang daba yarak taba puna maksing asigi chu parna mo ina koina Manipur International Textile Expo sida lamdam chira lariba phisalon sa khangkalaba aikoina khangkat chaba khara khaktani khangkaliba khara se sigi mit nakong oina bidam ta koina sigu makal gi nungti oiba seminar program undi workshop si sathabani hayeng ju foreign ju designer talk sung laigini samai tawdana hongai ba prithvi gi hongai ba global changes sida digital platform sida akhoi Manipur da lariba phichalon sa yangraba ina khulaba next to agriculture activity gi heng mathang da lariba workforce se sina achoba platform ma loba ngamba taragadi Manipur gi economy da akhoi karabagi tungda legaduri no akhoi mangda chatpa yai haibatuni madugi pandam amaga loina akhoi lamdam chir lariba posak puding maksing ase mapan gi kaithenda yon ginanabagi adungba akhoi objective to ngasigi manga suba akhoi ngasi pangthoi ba 2025 ki Manipur International Textile Expo si hodopagi thoramda mangda lengsin bar khwai panamak dai lengsin bir bar khwai panamak amuk ka nai kai kunuba galona taram nokchari taram nokcha bagalona mangda lengsin bar khwai panamak so horen gi akhoi technical session da su akhoi phangba yaba knowledge tanba yaba knowledge idea myam sing si kariguma ta lokthup lai koi leitana hangbiba khanabiba tanabiba panamak sing ase lokshin biu tabiu amadi hangbiu haiba phom kharaji tamjaraga ai myam panamak ti bidai lo jage thank you.
Thank you very much, respected Sir Sri Alangbom Jiten Singh, Director of Handlooms and Textile Manipur, for the warm welcome address. Ikai Kumnujuriba, Kugi Director na Lengbirakliba Mayam Punamakpu, Taram Opogi Warol, Loinana Pangtokliba, Manitex 2025 Asigi, Wakalon Mayam, the Sugaina Tambira Bagitama Hanana, Takaro Fondokchuri. Inaugural session asigi makasata jarakpoina ikai Kumnujuriba Sri Mutua Bahadur, Founder and Director Mutua Museum in Falbu, Warol Khara Thambina Nabagitamak Dolukna Kaushinjari. Ikai Kumnujuriba Sri Mutua Bahadur.
Ahan Maktada, Masigi Daida, Lincoln Biriba, Mo Dema Punama, Minmona Pandata, so Mangna Lincoln Biriba, Pisabi, Amadi, Custard Designer, Amadi, Marum Papunama. Money takes I see picture so Chow, Darbaso, Nasi, Asumba, Bangtoi Pese, Yamna Tangai Padena, Lovi, Maramdi, Pisabi Singa, Designer Singa. Buyer seller singa koi punna uminabagi khudong sabadu hariba money tax asida tai patana koi unaba phangi adu angalingai matamdadi money tax sida tongan ba akoi ki mapande lakpa export tobudu exhibit tobudu yam yawi adu ngasi di madu du khara handarbai na khali madu akoi ki Manipur da thoiba conflict mayam sina waram gatrai na khali adu maruina ai sang na sungang jeroi maruina aina ngasi phisabi sing mangla lingheli bising da haining badi karino haiba ta pamatamda Manipur gi seliba illiba phi punama mai pun mason punama se aikhoi phisabi makutta lei aduga hariba leiriba se aikhoi gi senabi gi wangmada sadabadi nate madu khitang thijalaga sabagi mathau tae na khali maramdi karino bu ngasi aikhoi gi oriba Manipur gi ariba mayek mayam sing asi aikhoina sijinaba matamda ai tangai phadana masi karai da sijinaba yai karamba matamda sinaba yade ga haibisi khangmai mathau ma taiba maramdi kari noibu ngasi si akhoi khamen chapa haisi maru oina aikhoi gi phajomni phajom masi sijinara ga su hendorakna nupi gi ta nupi singna tangai phadana inba natraga su tongan mongda sinaba pamdaba aikhoida mitna bagumba adumba su yawi ene ka thamjege adigi atopa mana khwaidagi nunalingai oiba wafam amatanga thamjege ngasidagi chahi manga taragi mamangdadi school singda college singda aikhoigi uniform se nupi gi phane ki uniform se setpi wafam mama lai Madura Lakum Matamda Money Tax Ki Makada Laiba Habatare, Akogi Pantobi, Emporium Gumbana, Akogi Senaba Piro Mayam, supply to me, Masi Yam, Napapataba Mani, Madam Dicari Nobu, Mastata Amuhena, Akoida Nunang Pokri Dicari Nobu, फिसाबी सिंह असिना फिबान मयाम जे हापक्ति अनि फिबान हापक्तबसी करिगिनो हाइना अखोइना कुमना थिजलु कांदी मखोइना फि साबसी खैतंग खुलोइनबा थुनबा होनबा अदुगा लंग हुनबा होनबा सुम मयाम अमदगी अखोइगी फनेक फिबान जे हापक्ति अरे फनेक फिबान जे हापत्रगदी अखोइगी जनबीदा हाइबा तारे मसीगुम्बा हापतबसीबु करी के कौगेबु लुखरा फनेक हाइदना लुखराबी खतना सेटपा अदुम्बा फिनेना लौनेबा अदु मसी मणिपुर पुथोइबा फनेक मयाम सिंगसे असम ओइरो त्रिपुरा ओइरो बांग्लादेश ओइरो म्यांमार याम डिमांड तौवी याम पामी अदुबु लेसाबी सिंगना मपान याउदबा फनेसी सेलो हारगदि मोइ सेनिंगदे मरमदि मसी लुखरा फनेना मोइ पामदेबा अदुना ngasiदी अखोइगी वाखन तामिनबा हाइगदरा फिसाबी सिंगना ngasiदी मपान हापसे खर खर चनारे अनु यारिंगै मसी थादोपिगनो मपान यहोनबियो अदुगा चनमिगी वांगबा नतना मसी साबगी मोंग मतौ अमसुंग करी हाइतारे अखोइगी फजबगी एस्थेटिक से मसी मपान हापगदी फजबसी तंगाई फदेन खाली अदुगा मो अखोइगी यूनिफॉर्म सिदा नुपीसिना फनेक सेलो हारगा फनेक सेपसी मपानदगी पुसलकबा फीना सेटपगा हाइबसी यानिंगदबसु यावी मरमदी करिगिनो हाइबो फनेक असी अखोइगी चनबिददी तायरगा सेटपसी तंगाई फदे करिगिनो तायरगा सेलिसिदि याम ngalingaidagi तायरगा सेले अदो हुजिक्ति तायदरसु करि हाइबा तारे मपुंग ओइना मपानदगी लेरे अखोइना सेटपा यावी अदो सेलिबा फनेक असी समना हारबदा मसीना अखोइगी हक्चांगी तुंगी ओइबा निंगी सरुकसी लेंब ओटपा मतमदा फी ताइबसिना अखोइदा यामना कानबा फंगी अदुना अमरोमदसु अमुक मणिपुरगी इमासिंगी अखोइगी ओइबा पोथोक असे सिजनरगदी अखोइगी सेमिलोंदा अचौबा मतेंग ओइगनी हाइदना आई थमजगे अदुगा याम सांगना ngangjadrgasu aina खैतंग थमदनी वाफम अमना ngसाइगी अखोइगी डायरेक्टर पम्बिखिबा GI हारिसे GI टेक हारिसे मसी अखोइ तंगाई फदि मनजी मणिपुर GI टेक्सी मखन अहुम अखोइ रेसा तौखरे 2012 ता अहान बना ngसाइगी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेलूम एंड टेक्सटाइल मखादा तौखिबनी अहान बना साफी लापी तौरे अदि अनि सुबदना मोइरांग पी तौरे अहुम सुबदना वांखै पी तौरे अदो हुजी अखोइ मांगदा तारिबा GI तौकनी हाइदना डायरेक्टर ना थाजन खरबा हाइतारे रेजिस्ट्रेशन की दामता मजुरी करी करिनो हाइबु अखोइगी लिकोड हाइदि मणिपुर सारिबा लिकोड मयामसी इंडिया की मफम अतैद सारिबसिंगा तोंगान खेनब लई डिजाइन सु खेनै खुसाजु खेनै मसी मने अदुगी अनि सुबदना अखोइगी सेंगा हाइदि अखोइगी सेंजेंग साबनी हाइबदी सेंगा हाइबदी सेन हाइदि ngसाइगी सेंजेंग बेल मेटल का हाइदि मखुम पानबा अदुबु का हाइबनी हाइबसी GI दा मसी मसु थुना फंगने खाली मथंग अहुम सुबदना अखोइगी कौनाफा सी याम ngalingaidadi मणिपुरदा लैरमदि हाबि याय थेंगधरगा सारगपोनी मसीगी ममांगददी कौनागी महौता अखोइगी चुमथांग हाइबा मसीना ख्वाइदिगी फजबा ख्वाइदिगी कनबा अदुगा मतम कुइनसु चटपा अदुगा अमसुंग सिनबा मतमदा अइंग असा हाइदि सुजा कादगुम्बा अदुम्बा चुमथांगि मखलबनी अदुगा कौनादी यारि मखै अखोइना कालेनगी कौना आइना सिजनरी सी करिगिनो हाइबु अखोइगी ngसाइगी फंगस तो ngसाइगी सुजा कादरमगी लमक्तनेबा अखोइना कालेनगी कौना सारगा सिजनरी से असिंसिंग मयाम ले अदुना अखोइ GI तौनबा मथंगदा होनरिबसिंगसी तोंगान तोनबा कबुइगीसु अखोइगी फाइंगाव GI तौनबा होनरि अदुगी अखोइगी रानी पी से ख्वाइदि मरु ओइबनी रानी पी होनरि अदुगी फने ऐसी अखोइना इसम समना फने ऐसी मैतै खक्ता सिजनब नतना खानोपो एशिया हाइबा तारे मरु ओइना अमुसु अवांग नोपो भारतदी फने सेतबा अमते याउदे ने खाली अदुना फने ऐसी अमु इंडिया की ओइबा हेलूम मार्कता हाइबा तारगदी अखोगी फनी हाइसी फनी हाइबा ममिंग दुदा लई सागी पोथोक तुदी खा बारोमदगी ओइना तौ माने खाली अदो मसीसु अखोइना डायरेक्टर ना थिजलगा मसीसु एमेन तौबगी मथौ मतारे हुजिकती फनी हाइबा ममिंग दे दुम थिजनै अदुगा असम की फनी तु ओइदे अदुगा मेघालय की जो ओइदे त्रिपुरा की जो ओइदे मणिपुर की जो ओइदे फी अदुदी खा बारोमदगी साबा माली अदुना ममिंग दी फनी हाइना अखोइना थिजनै मसी हेलूम मार्कता यामना मरु ओइबा पोसा मनी थमजेगे अदुना मसमाय तौना अखोइना जीआई तौबगी कानबसी सही तरानी डिजाइन अतोपन होबो यारोय अदुगा मसीबु कनाउंबा एनजीओ सिंगना सरकार न तौबे महत्ता अखोइ डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेलूम टेक्सटाइल न तौबे मत्ता महत्ता कनाउंबा इसिनाउ सिंग एनजीओ तौबे सिंगना मसी जीआई से तौबिरगति थुनसु फंगनी अदुगा फंबगा लोइनाना हारिबा एनजीओ सुनसु अमुक संदोरगदी महाकी चावरबा सेमिलो लामसु ओइनिङाइ लेइ हाइना थमजेगे अदो तेलसु तेना आइ वाइ खरसि हाइजरगा मयामदगी आइ आबा लौजेगे पुरा पोखरमजेगे
Thagachari Kai Khumnajariba Aja Mutua Bahadur, founder director of Mutua Museum Imphal, Ozana Ngasigi, Thoromasida Leng Directuna, Mayamda, Kanaragada Wafam Kaya, the Singna Kusu Kangzeram de Mapan, Yaudo Fanexe, Kui Lukha Faneka, we have say Adana Sigumba, Knowledge Mayamama, Tambiram Bagidamag, Hanana, Tagar Fondokchari. And now it is a great honor to invite our respected guest, Professor N.G. Ivoyama Singh, Dean, COFT, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, to kindly address the gathering. Ngasigi kai kumnajariba, Tharomasigi Dais the Lengsin Viriba, Professor N.G. Ivoyama Singh, Dean, CUFT, Kau Imphal dagi Warol Kratami Nabagitan Jadu, Lausi.
So, good afternoon, everybody. So, respected dignity on the dais and off the dais, and Ngasigi Pisabi designer Mayam Game of Panda, Nasi Aibu, Wakatan Nangbiu, Haibu, Sayam Tanza Saba, and Kudung Saba, Igi, Kudung Saba Mani, Sigisi Luaraga, technical session the su, Igi, lecture Malayjari, Sadusu Mayam Tabiu. Though a quickie Nasigi, Asagi, Mani Tesna, Tauriba, see Nasigi objectives a Karino Hibada, Lady by Quiggy, Sinmi Mayam, Sisi. Si kayu makar tauraga moigi kaigi imung moigi chawkhutna ba honna bagi adu mating ni pangis adu ekoi gi mioi ba mani hingba da darka leiri se ahum khakta ne ba number 1 roti cha na ba sine ba sa ba si yaw cha na yaw di lan kya laksanu sa ba yaw dragadi upai lite di kapra ji phi set ba yade aroi bada makam roti kapra makam ahum si sui dana drakale rang actane akhoi kai business ama tauge hairagadi business haibadi profit haibani ko kai go ma tauge hairagadi akhoi mina tanaba mina leigada mina demand tauga ba singdo khangat cheba khangat pesida akhoi ahum se masi mari dum drakale rang actane masi du sangaba asagi business se dum success hoirani aina pami bang sai profit to itum phangani ba kain darka leiba mayam dum demand tawdro sem koi gi roti chaba sina koi gi food ta lei gare food se kanana thadui ne haidang sa farmer mayam ma thaduri ne aduna koi huji farmer of challenge manipur da leiba mi mayam sigi sana ba poje thabi rabra ba thabagi masai gi magi koi gi guideline haitare ko help haitare aduna koi gi manipur gi leijari ba Department of Agriculture, Horticulture leijari, Veterinary leijari, moisna ngasagi farmers ke contact auraga, sagi hari banga sagi roti hari base, sa na base, masi uthok na buhona ba deba. Mathing na laisna kaparas neba. Pisi se tabu yad deba. Pisi adung seller neba. Adu waragadi masi ki demand si yenga seba. Angang se koi India danya, angang si minute amadanya. Angang ni pu manga pu e minute amadani ko 60 seconds da sum average da 45 angang se pu e ba angang hek pu ba ga du mage phi de darka le ra ba demand je le ra ba ne adra koi sida yamna talent loi ba akoi de le phi sa ba design na mayam le thoi re ba ji moi tawri sing sai wang kai phi adu pirani phi na mayam si kan gi sai da lei mayam si koi u re ba design na ngak ta ni ko adu akoi ne wali se madu de sa ga da ba nga sai lang do kana na pu thoi gi ha ba Dimapur line je thinga di pisabi mayam thabak le pe ba ai lang ji ma pan di pusalak pa de adu re ke koi lang ji puthuk na bagi lambi ma thi ba ya da bra sini ko koi yam challenge ne koi mang da le ra bani masi koi na khona da di ai koi ma pan ki dum demand depend tor ga le ra ne ba makhan ge le ri ba sai lupa lising tara pi ba kun pi ba mayam designer mayam je madu gi lang du di kanana kadai da gi no mapan da gi puchalak pa de adu re ga sai gi lang du sai akoi puthuk na ba lambi ma thi ba ya da bra ha adegi makan le gre pakan yum sabo yum makan sare yum sari po chai mayam do kadai di pore inova a mapan ni ngak tan ha cement da gi kari yot te kai akoi yot thok te mapan ni lui ngak tani ba designer di haiba ngak tani makan gi 3 star 5 star mathang sa gre ba interior decoration kari ka loi tawre po sari ba po tu di akoi potok di aduna akoi hoji akoi darka le ri ba nga sai gi chi ora ga di sai gi akoi tawdi business se akoi mang ta le re di potho se ba akoi ji makhan gi hoji akoi gi lakre lotus tagi adu tawba ko adegi lotus tagi koi gi fiber pothokpa kholokpa si initiate ni madu toro matung da kari kana ge haiba ge dum research samat ge magi strength magi tensile strength adu mayam du amuk thigalak pata sumai tok dana nga sai gi ekoi gi research haiba ba posema lei aduna koi si kari ahum khak darka lere asai gi academician ne ada inga sai processor nga sai gi pothok turi badune sai farmer june degi sadri potune lebi dri pote ahum se hoji koi director sahab na hai gre japan degi la aga poche loge hare akoi piba ngam godra ba imanga tale rabni lai gela moi koi lising ani loge ahum loge hai ba da koi piba ngam godra hai ba madu torong matam de ge raw material do leita bani na adu matam na piri banga sai gi timeline do piba ngam moi aduna akoi gi puthokna bo hona si so ngasi aina technical session da ngang ye gidru bisu kai noida akoi gi posi phatta ba ngasai gi waste le ba ngata sai gi pineapple je le roni pineapple gi makok tu di hundo khrani maku du je kanam chabi roi madu mayam ta dan le gre suguma mayam se maji masidagi akoi gi sai gi lang se sai gi fiber si lobu ya gadra yaragadi koi ka mapandagi adu puthokpa taragadi akoi gi sagi langdu thokjaragadi koi kanara su depend tawra roi akoi gi ma anoda haragana akoi gi dai he usi japanese patna har misana man hari se sugumba color se pamme haira sumba color se pambada akoi gi north is manipur se leitabra haiba lei haiba mamangai da leiramba akoi gi phi se kamai sangam ge haiba mapan ge kaim da chemical yaudring da akoi da leiriba hauriba plants na kamai to da nga sagi dai si uthoma ga sangam ge kudam moina urei rom hai gare urei rom si hujike u khidre ade urei rom si bu tawraga masida kanariba dai tu da natana sagi machu du natana mana kari kanabage haiba mala ko ya hujike makhan gi phi tholani sigi ai phuri se lilagadi ai hakchang da kainu soroi ultraviolet light se loi ka thok thragani haiba dugumba health related oiba aduguma mayam ma bi puthok da toriba aduna di akoi gi focus si sagi arodagi akoi gi handloom and akoi gi textile department dagi ngai bi da ba haidia moi distribution ngai bi ba adugi loan loba kopa aduda loi chat khragadi akoi karim da kan roi ai khoi da togdu nga sai po aina daka le ba nga sai langji puthok se putho ba koi success soy puthoi poto अफब कयम ओइरम तारगदी अखोइना पेटेंट थाबाइना आइगे प्रॉपर्टी ओइदुनी GI है सिदी को इंडिविजुअल नते मसिदी अखोइगी माइकई दुगी कसाई लेमन असी GI फंगे है उखुन द लेबा कसाई लेमन दो अदागी एरिया दा फमीबा फार्मर मयाम दुगी नेबा मी अमतगी नते तमिलोंगी ऑरेंज है GI फंगरे अदु तमिलोंग से कमाई ऑरेंज से फावे ममिंग चले हाइबनेबा कई पोसी योलग तमिलोंगी ऑरेंज नी हाइरगदी हेक दरकार कई बिजनेस है वांखटपगुम सूम मैम से GI मैम अखोई लेरिसे प्रोटेक्ट तौगदबनी ममांगैद यंग अखोइगी मोदीजीना अखोइगी लेरुंग फिदो यानबद मैमना अखोइगी मोदी गमसा ना UP दगी साबा होगलेबा मदु अखोइना प्रोटेक्ट तौद्रगदी मोइना नुम लौरनेबा सुमाय तौदना अखोइगी ओजा बहादुर सर मोइ लेरी मोइ मैमसिना ममांगैगी अदुगुंबा हिस्ट्री जो पुखलगा अखोइगी प्रोटेक्ट तौहोसेबा थमौजेबा कनामतना कॉपी तौबा यादबा कॉपीराइट कुमा म थमहोबा अदुगुंबा मसु तौबा याय अदु ओरगदी अखोइ सोइदनमक नोंगमदी अखोइगी हिंजनबा मिपान दांगदबा हाइबदो सोइदा ओरकनी हाइना खल्ली सो सी हाइजरगा आई लोइसनजरगे अदुगा आइगी मथंगी टेक्निकल सेशन दा मयाम अदुम ताबियो मदुदा मखन की साइगी वेस्ट दगी साइगी लंग से कमाई छारकपा मदु करम मखन की अदुगुंबा ट्रेंड्स आइदी फ्यूचर्स ट्रेंड दा कई तोरप याबा आइबुगुंबा खरा अदुम तौजके असेंबदी आइगी सिगा अखोइगी फूड कदी मरी इलेने नद्रे आइसे ngasai रोटी कपड़ा मकान हैदो रोटी दुदने आइना थबक तौजरीसे फूड से पुर पुथोंनाबो होनाबा मदुदगी थोलकपा वेस्ट मयामदो आइदी फट्टा हुदी हुंदोरकपदो मदुना आई ngasai फिरोम साब यागद्रा फिरोम साब यानी हाइबगी लंबीदो उचगे तौजबनी चे हाइजर लोइसनजरगे
Thank you very much, respected Sir Professor N.G. Voyama Singh, Dean, COFT, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, for sharing valuable suggestions with us. Ikai Kunajariba, Sir Voyama na lengbirektuna, GI Tech Matangda, Mayam the Kanarba Wafon Kaya, Loina, Taramasika Lena Wafon Kaya, Tambirambagidama, Hanana Takat Fondukchuri. And now, with due respect, I would like to invite our respected guests who accepted our invitation and joined today's function, Sir W. Ivohal Singh, Registered of Cooperative Society, Manipur, to share a few lines with us. Ikai Kumnachariba ngasigi tharomasida lengbirakliba Sir W. Ivohal, Registered of Cooperative Society, Manipur dagi warol khara thambina nabano lukna kokshinjari.
Ngasi Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, Manipur, Anipunna, Sillaga Pangthokliba, Manga Suba, Manitex ki Thoram, Numi Humni Sanba, Singulaba Thoramasi, Dice, the Langshan Biribi, Ikai Kumnazaribi, Cinemati Kangu Zuringla, Secretary Science and Technology, Kai Kunabutsari, Director Handloom and Textile, Sirijiten, Kai Kunabutsari, Aduga Central Agriculture University Professor, Azita Wangang Biramba, Kai Kunabutsari, Manipur gi history, Amadi Ariba Mayamu Yopada, Sukki Sauna Todang Loriba, Kai Kunabu Oza Bahadur, Kai Kunaba Utsari, Mang the Lingsin Biriba, Masigi Tauram Masigi, the Pangtokliba, Manitex, Sigi City, Kwaidigi Maru Riba, Adumba stakeholder habitat, cooperative society member sing, artisan sing, weaver sing, Mayapunama Ham, the Puno Kai Kunabu Utsari. Tasanga the cooperative society Yang Zavanina. Cooperative society के एंगल लगी ngasi की function नसीदा वापम खतम थम्सगे अखोइना cooperative society में सेम बमतमदा ngasi की function नसीना handloom की cooperative society से में सेम बमतमदा अखोइना ऊरी बसी करी नो हाइड गदी economy सी hana mang da tham da bayadi. Any cooperative society may be dairy or handloom or handicraft or B. Cooperative society may am sing se koi na nai na ba matam da khwai da gi maru woi ba akhoi gi target se economy. Adu itadi Manipur economy kamai torami. Masai mang da habiram ba mayam do I refer to Zarake. I could pai puse. Masi a queen hide like Haitian. Like Haitaway pai poo, Hina can hide. I coin the leader, USA, the foreign country, the Mayam, Salasalaga degree, doctorate, Mayamo, Pange, a queen of Larry, Hay Butching. A question Larry, Hay Bahai. I didn't see my under Tamzari Wapamze, Larik Haidaba Aigi, Pai Pusing se. Marum dom lepsa bangame. Amte yung biyo hangad na, ay ipay po kumay tarongges. Makoy na sizina ba tumok, yangkok, paura, sakri, pausu na ba, law koy na ba langgol, karay digi lawi, masana sazarame. Masana semzerame moina sena innaba phi khudai moina saram phanek masana saram mapandigi lebham leite aduna moigi thaine gi ahalgi pai pujing gi economy se was so good mo depend torom de mayam aina ngang ji sumbra lam ai summe na mayam da haibane te ko just amutang recollect tawbiyo larik haitaba igi pai puna kamaina hingami sabu walam de akhoina khangakpada aisu ipu leiminare yam toina ai masi meeting da hai aina sum learn to bone akhoina saliba lambi je karai dano akhoina sali ji soire lale yengbiyo ngasi hojik akhoina hingiba punsi ji gi marial jamte yengbiyo no hek ngan baga kari khali ai ngasi kari laizige na khale ai ngasi kari breakfast sajige karamba brush sizna jige karamba toothpaste sizna jige karamba sapon sizna jige karamba hair sanitizer sizna jige karamba face wash sizna jige ai ipudo toothpaste amta sizna gide maitan ga utka sugar ga noir ga brush tauki washing machine na Sibada bawa maya ambuk sokide. Ngasi chocolate toothpaste brush nari ba ine ngasi. Ai boji ya ho ho. Kadai doruma khoji soiba malai. Aduna aina masi puthoroi se kari gino hai tadi. Cooperative society sini sigi idea thought mayam se khangada bas. Hai badi miyoi ba mana nongba ayuk tagina numidang ba bo sizin nari ba se. Ngasi aikhoi gi phikau jidi paisa ji sum sakre adu ju karida mapan gi pusilakpa product mayam sida adu itadi akhoi gi imung gi economy si drain out to wuchinge sumaina draining to riba economy si sahi kaya lisang seida satharak ba adu gi fall ne ba ngasi manipur da akhoi ne economic crisis economy freedom amla krise but ngasi pi sabi sing makhun masa haitabra makhoi khangdabra hai khangi manipur da prithvi se mas khangna hona bada item khrale area khrale example sangai hek deer hairagadi manipur khange loktak pat hairagadi manipur khange ima kaithel hairagadi manipur khange Manipur ki handloom ki product se prithvi pumna paame prithvi pumna Manipur ki handloom ki product se paame US ju European countries ju Asian countries ju Manipur yi wang da ju demand loina le aduga kari gino ngasi demand leiraba suguma product se akhoi Manipur ki phi sabi jing ji ki punsi je ngasi kari gino sakotri je demand is there skill is there. There is something that we need to introspect. कराइदनो अखोइना सोरीजे मसी येंजनो दरकार ओय अदुना आइना अपील ngasi director handloom and handicraft textile ju yawbiri appeal lama khak tawni aina tawning badi ngasai GI tech ki wapam puthokre very good GI tech se indigenous traditional oiba ma sange ngasi aikhoida gi mangriba akhoi gi phiron se kari kari no amta yengbiyo aikhoina aina angang oring da sinarakpa khudai pak phangaktre hoji aina angang oring da supakpa ngabong asok ke mate comfortable loy lasung saba takarugi ngabong si ngabong ji phangdre phangba su ware thaina aikoi gi ipa ipu jing na season ramba pot product sing je sum mangsal le aduga anogba pot na mahu sinjan ba haure e ba khoi transition stage ma khoi leire aduna aina appeal ma tawning bajadi manipur gi ipa ipu gi thaina gi leire ba pot se masi ma preserve tawnaba masak naiba akhanaba artisan weaver masi akoine preserve thawba amu changi masi preservation am khak changi moi je akoine protect tawba am khak changi moi gi livelihood support tawba changi I mean classification of the weaver haina phi amana wong sai amur sai magi ngamna ba tawba nataba ngasai indigenous oiba khoigi maitai gi masakchi punsi chupa takadariba mayam da takadoriba adugum weaver singse mase classified toktoga thamba amaka sangi world ngasi hongaiba fashion world size the demand tawriba sisu akhoi compete tawdaba yaroi sigi dadi ngasai gi IT intervention aduga technology intervention ani yawdadandi akoi world sense tawriba se compete tawba ngamoy aduna weaver kharadi commercialize hoina hongaiba phisabi gi competitions de saruk yana na ba akoi moisida anoba technology se akoi gi khutna saba phi kon gi mauta electronic gi hoina tholai se sumai toroga sina production hengana bagi income ji hengana bagi adugumba amakak oi aduna aina masi khalai bagi maramdi karigino bu akhoi ji compete tawdaba yarakte ba world ji da ngasi mahut yam sele manipur gi silkna saba pot se south ta bangalore gi ahong phina mahut sinba hore silk blended oiba mayam jingina manipur da tawrisina original silk kurkul da puthoreba muga sina saba aduna tangba whereas bangalore dagi mysore dagi west bengal dagi laiba silk tuna modi yam hong na lai to mioi badi khoi di ji hong munina hoji more da loi chali se de household item je more da loi chali se economy je more rum chakrabne so minus sigi challenges mayam jing je face tawge hairagadi we need IT intervention and technological interventions masida akoi focus tawba amakak sange aroi bada aina mayam da appeal amakak tawning badi aikoi gi housing leiriba cooperative society se masi tawde haibanate manipur gi handloom hingali se kanana no hai targadi handloom cooperative society mayam nani cooperative society sing se masi mapangkal kalanba yamna sincere oiba work tawba amakak sangi masi sida akoi interdepartmental cooperation amakak changra hena khale we need a committee of interdepartmental cooperation and a committee ma semaga ngasai director jitena hagi bada asoke matik phaja scheme mayam ama handloom weaver gi damakta artisan mayam gi damakta lakthok pidi sumaina karamba commercial industry na kari lai atopa department na weaving gi seida kari lai central gi agency manipur da kari lai si mayam jing si tawraga haidi aphang bamra dum phangle re ba koi phangba misna adum beneficiaries da phangaga leiba central gi ju amagi ju aduna masi akoi combined with interdepartmental committee ama semaga sigi sorting out aduga monitoring ji tawragadi manipur da leriba weaver jing se one day sungsoi soidana moigi darkar oiba posak mayam jing do phangaga ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯃꯔꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯂꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝꯅꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Thank you very much, W. Evo. Ngasigi Thoromasida Lengbirakuna Mayamda Fajraba Wakal, Kaya Thambiramba, Sir Evo, Register of Cooperative Society, Manipurna, Mayamda, Wafung Kaya Thambiramba Gidama Hana Thakar Fongdoksari, Ikugi Hosi Pangtok Sariba inaugural session as the Hekloibaga technical session Adumak, Haujin Jaragani, Maramaduna Ikugi Thoromasida Yaubirak. Leng birakliba mayam punamak thawra mapung fan biriba mayam punamak na technical session asibusu soidana yaubina nabagitamak nologna hangachari. And now the moment has arrived to invite our chief guest of today's inaugural function. Ikai kumnujari bi ngasigi thawramasigi dice the lengsin biribi Madam Kengu Juringla ngasigi thawramasika marilena na warol thambina nabagitamak nologna kaushinjari.
Miyambu Nalukna Kurumjari. I don't know when I have become the chief guest of this program, but thank you for having me here. Thank you for having me here for this third day program of the Moneytex, organized by the Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur. Respected officials on the dais representing different walks of life, visitors and buyers from different countries, the artistic weavers and artisans representing different communities of our state, all members present here, ladies and gentlemen. An occasion like this is a place where we are able to express our identity, where we are able to merge together to find our self in the beautiful life that we have been given. One important aspect of our culture is identified by the unique patterns and designs of our attire. Because this defines our personality, this defines the community and the individual. This tells our history and our purpose. It tells a tale of self-sufficiency and skill as they worked through the entire process of spinning thread from cotton balls to dyeing, to threading the various colors onto the loom, weaving patterns into them, and finally transforming them into beautiful shawls or skirts or panek or kashan or puan, as we call it in different dialects. In olden days, this was a valuable piece of property for the woman who has to weave a cloth by following through the entire process which was learned from the elders. Taking a durable, large woven cloth to the husband's house by the bride was a prized gift, as this would indicate respect for the man as well as keeping him warm during winter seasons. This is a heritage handed down from generation to generation, and the artistic expression in different patterns, which is colorful, intricate, delightful, and vibrant, showcases the rich cultural heritage and artistic expression of our weavers and artisans. Handloom has enabled the preservation of the traditional skills down through the generations. The textile is a powerful tool for women empowerment that provides a platform for economic independence. Women are supporting the education of their children, kitchen and other expenses of the house from the sales of woven shawls and skirts. Rural economy can greatly benefit from greater skilling in weaving and applying modern techniques for bulk production. Pottery, wood carving, painting, fine work of beads and shells, spears, knives, bamboo works, and many more have a promising future, while this reflects the artistic designs of a community as well. These are trending, and we know that they become beautiful pieces for gifts and mementos. The loom, the textile, and the artisans of all the different communities has also enabled the unification of our country. More so now, as different platforms like trade, fairs, exhibition, fashion shows, Northeast festivals, and such other events provide exposure, cultural exchange, and greater affinity to each other. Our young designers are exploring into this, and they are invited in different platforms in the field of fashion, in the field of designing, but which always is rooted to our tradition. We know of them as showcasing their talents in countries like South Korea, in Japan, in Singapore, or even in our countries like Mumbai and other prominent cities. The handloom and textiles are our identity as well as our responsibility. We are very strongly community-based, and our lives are deeply embedded in our culture, which we not only should preserve, but keep it vibrant. And that's where we all must do our part to promote, nurture, keep it growing, keep the unity spirit, and also the spirit of cooperation among weavers, among artisans, and among different cooperatives. The culture of weaving on a loin loom has fascinated many people and has attracted the attention of many across the nations. We are proud that our state is going global through the handloom and handicrafts and the artistic expression of the youths bursting with creativity and modernization, while deeply rooted in the rich culture of the local communities. Such a platform of this will truly help in exploring the talents and the skills of our people, as well as the younger generation, which will continue to take on our country, our nation, and our state to a higher level. Let us take it forward and let our state shine ever brighter. Thank you.
Thank you very much, respected chief guest of today's function, Madam Srimati Kengu Juringla, IAS, Secretary of Science and Technology, Special Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, for your address. Ikai Kumnajari being a Sigi, Taramasigi, chief guest na Mayamda, Wafumkara Tambirambagidama, Hana Thagachari, and thank you once again for giving your valuable time with us. Hauzik Lengbirakliba, Mayam Punamakpu, Thagarwarul, Tambinanabagitamak, Ikai Kumnajari, Madam Jocelyn, Officer on Special Duty, Assistant Director, Design, Manipur Handloom and Textile Bu, Stage the Kokshinjari. Lengbirakliba, Mayam Punamakpu, Thagarwarul, Pibinanabagidamak, inaugural function as Sigi, Board of Thanks Pibiranabagidamak, Madam Jocelyn OSD, Assistant Director Design, who staged the caution jury.
अहानबा मक्तदा तिनबिरिबा ख्वाई पुमनमकपो अहांगना इकोंगनो खरिमजरी ngasi November gi tang tara 2025 urban had asida Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Galoinana, Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles Manipur na sinjalangzaduna Day 3 of Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2025 Weaving a Sustainable Future Manipur's handloom heritage to global fashion. Haina Mingthon Zaba, Asigumlaba, inaugural program Asida, Daista Lingzin Biribi, Ming Oina Hangacharabada, Sri Mati, Kengu Zuringla, IAS, Secretary of Science and Technology, Special Secretary, Health, Family Welfare, Government of Manipur. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your precious time, Madam. Makhasa Thazarapada, W. Ibhol Singh, Registrar of Cooperative Society, Manipur, Busu Mamalyam Laba, Matam Kaitopiduna, Warol Kama Thambirambagi the Maktasu, Hangna Hanna Tagachari, Serna, Equigi, reversing classified Tobina by the Makta Warol, Pasabakiasu Thambirami, Equigi Handloom and Textiles na, Equigi. Program ama agenda oina akhoi si include toroga leiraba akhoi gi plan da lezeraba keno ama so aizai akhoi mai pakna tause ge na su khanjai yam thaga sei sir bu makhat chathar charak pada Professor N Iboyaima Singh Dean COFT CAU busu hanna thagachari makha chathar charak pada akhoi gi lamjing lamtak oibiriba akhoi gi ming oina hangacharabada Sri Ilangmam Jiten Singh, Director of Handlooms and Textiles Busu Hanna Thagachari, Oza Guru, Akwegi advice to Biriba, Akwegi Lamzing Biriba, Sri Motwa Bahadur, Founder and Director, Motwa Museum, Imphal Busu, Matamchana Lengpiraktuna, Function Asibu, Mapong Pahan Bibagidamakta, Hanna Thagachari, Loina na Akwegi Mamal Yamlaba, guests and invitees, officials, akogi media partners, amasung akogi nuksizaraba weavers and artisans, makoi lebagi akoi function asibu sinjaba ngamjabani, maka si haizaraga aina asoi bangam gi ba kya lairaga su aibu ngakpi gani khanjaraga sida tentangna thamjarage khurumjari.
Thagachari Mayampuramaku, Thagarawal Thambirambi, Kai Kumnijari B. Jocelyn, OSD, Assistant Director, Design, Manipur Handloom and Textile Bu. Ngasigi Ahanba, inaugural program asi, Kuige Matangasida, Lengbirakliba Mayampunamaksu, Thagachari, Loina Nangasigi Taromasiki dies, the Lengsin Biribi chief guests, and their respected guests, Thagachabagalona, Matangasda, Lashinjari, Makatarakpa, Kuige Pangtuk Sagadaba, technical session, Kuige Honanabagi, Sem Saba. Mayamdagi ayabadu logzari mathang da khwiging asigi sem saring marak sida khwigi khanghan jabamana evening show khoi laizari evening show sida ngasidi am nungai ba program kaya amasu thamjari loinana khoi fashion show dasu makhal ani ahum thokna thamjari ahambada bobosa laishram ge fashion show mayamna uba fangwigani masida makhal khudingmak ki design Manipur da khoi ge hoje scenery ba trending oi ba duga hana dagi senaduna laklaba dress kaya ma khoi ge so stopper ngasigi bobosagi fashion show sida eze maisnam na ishe perform to bigani anisubada joy moirang them hariba fashion show sina anisuba oina utpigadabani masida koigi perform to bigadaba loina na music koigi Blue Van Music Band aduga Saisak Pusing Sadananda eze maisnam Arbin Nandesori Rani aduga loina saisakpi mayam mana ngasigi evening gi so sida sakpi bani loina na hena nungai zaba mana wangkhaipi mantri handloom mayam na hena khangnaraba khoi nupi ayam bana loina makhangi ko Manipur ge ma ki su fashion show ki gi ngasigi evening show sida mideng taba phangbigani loina ngasigi tharoma sida mideng tabiri ba khoi gi लाइव की थ्रू दा मिदेंग ताबीरिबा हाइजे बतारे मैम पुनमकपुसु अखोगी सिंजलांगजरिबा मनी टेक्स 2025 की माइकी दगिसु हनना थागर फोंगदुकचरी ngasiगी अखोगी अनिसुबा टेक्निकल सेशन असे हौदोकचनबगे याबदु मैम दगी लौजरी लेंगसिन बिरकनी इकाई खुमनिजरी बी श्रीमती चिरोम इंदिरा देवी नेशनल अवार्डी डिजाइन इकाई खुमनिजरी बी मैडम स्टेज लेंखत पिरक्तुना ngasiगी सभा के लेटिंग ओइबिननबगिदमक नोलुकना कौसिनजरी श्रीमती चिरोम इंदिरा देवी नेशनल अवार्डी डिजाइन अनिसुबदा कौसिनजरी श्री हावम सुकुमार सीनियर डिजाइनर इकाई खुमनिजरी बुसु स्टेज लेंखत पिरक्नबगिदमक नोलुकना कौसिनजरी Sri O. Brojendra Singh, proprietor, SN Dyeing and Printing Industry, Imphal. Ikai Khumnijori Boss, Sir Brojendra Singh, proprietor, SN Dyeing and Printing Industry, Imphal Busu. Ngasigi Tauromasigi Dice, the Lenkat Piragnabagidamak, no look na Kausinjari. I could get technical session asida. Hana Lengsinduna Lady, Ngasigi. Technical session asisu speaker, or Bigadaba Haizabatare, Professor N.G. Boyama Singh, Jane. लोइनना हजर हजिक लेंगसिन बिरिबा श्री मुतुआ बहादुर फाउंडेन डायरेक्टर मुतुआ म्यूजियम इम्फालना हसिगी टेक्निकल सेशन असिगी शोदमक वारोल थंबिगनी Technical session asige lengsin biribi singbu taram na okchuri loina na ngasigi thauromasibu hena mapung fanan binabagidamak lengbirakli bi Srimati NG Taibangan bi Assistant Professor COFT Central Agricultural University Imphal busu ngasigi thauromasigi dice lengkhat pirakna bagidamak nolukna kaushinjari technical session asigi speaker oina kaushinjari Srimati NG Taibangan B Assistant Professor COFT Central Agricultural University Imphal busu ngasigi tharomasigi dice lengsin birakna bagidamak nolukna kausinjari Ikai khumnijari bi singasibu lengyan khudol tambina nabagidamak aikhogi lady official sing stage the kausinjari Ikai khumnajari bi singasibu lengyan amade traditional gift hamper khudol tambina nabagidamak akhogi lady official sing stage the kausinjari Ngasigi technical session asigi stage selection biri ba kai khumnijari ba Sri Havam Sukumar senior designer Sri O Brojendra Singh proprietor SN Dyeing and Printing Industry Imphal Srimati Sirom Indira Devi National Awardee Design Professor NG Boyama Singh Jain Srimati NG Taibangan B Assistant Professor Central Agricultural University Imphal Loina na Sri Mutua Bahadur, founder and director of Mutua Museum, Imphal. Ikai khumnajari bi singasibu taram na okchuboina lengyan khudol tambikraba matungda kage traditional gift hamper khudol tambiri loina na kage tharamasi makhasatha jeneva kage taram na opoge warol thambina nabagidamak sir ikai khumnajari ba sir Basanta deputy director stage the koksinjari
ngasi humni suba khoi gi Manipur International Textile Expo gi saruk ama oina nga ki mamang da inaugural session loikhra matung sida makha taba oina akhoi gi technical seminar workshop ama thamjabani masida akhoi gi dais ta lengkhat piribi ikai khumnarabi akhoi gi ahan bada Professor N.G. Boyaima Singh, Dean, College of Food Technology, Central Agriculture University, Srimati N.G. Taibanganwi, Assistant Professor, akhoi gi Babung Bahadur, Mutua Bahadur gi Founder Director oibiriba, akhoi gi sangnai raba entrepreneur akhoi gi designer su oiribi akhoi gi Chirom Indira mem, Hawam Sukumar sir, Oza Brojendra Singh, lakpiriba akhoi gi ngasi gi program gi technical session asibu fruitful oiba maungda chathananaba participate tawiriba akhoi gi cluster development executives, textile designers, weavers, artisans aduga akhoina mapandagi invite tawjaruba different countries mayam gi representative oina buying houses te lakpiriba sing amasung exporters, designers, aigi media gi marup sing ahan mamaktada Directorate of Handloom and Textiles Manipur gi maikai dagi nolok nanai kai khumna buchari amasung taram nokchari ngarang akhoi gi technical session akhoi gi designs Manipur gi yamna maru oiraba traditional rich designs mayam asi karamna integrate tawsige karamna preserve tawsige amasung madubu akoina global platform da kamaina puthokpa yagadagi haibagi matang da su koi miyam yamna fruitful oba seminar pangthok chakhre aduga buyers sing laiba exporters sing laiba sing su stalls chatuna akoi gi interaction tawduna amasung tongana buyer to seller amasung buyer seller meet ki mong da koina program ke am su chathagre ngasi ki program asina akhoi gi theme asina innovation and sustainable production practices mainly akhoi focus tawjari si hojikti global market la amina buyers sing su yamna akhoi gi ethical sourcing tawba environmental friendly producing pamakpa masigi mayam sida su akhoi naina si haiduna akhoi mayam akhoi gi speakers mayam su akhoi na haijaru budagi yabiraktu na ngasi si dais election bire amuka na mayam lengbiragli ba officials sing designers CDs weavers artisans handloom handicraft un sibiduna lengbiragli mayam puno magna ngasi gi technical seminar si kana balausi yamna fruitful oiba maung da lambi da puruknaba honasi hairga masi aira ai swai losinjagi thank you
Thagachari mayam punamakpu Taramna Okpugi Warol Thambiram by Kai Khumnizariba, Deputy Director, Directorate of Handloom and Textile Manipur, Sir Tokchom Bashantabu Hanana Thagar Fongdokchari, Hause Quigi Technical Session Asige, Ahan Boina Quigi Natural Dye Amasung Printing Haiba Hiramasida, Warol Thambinanabagidamak, State Awardee, Sri O. Brojendra Singh, Proprietor, Aston Dyeing and Printing Industry in Falbu, Nologna Kaushinjari. Ikai Kumnizari Bas State Awardee, Sri O. Brojendra Singh, Ikai Kumnizari Basina, Thambigadaba Hiramna, Natural Dye, Amasung Printing Haiba Hiramasida, Mayam the Warol Thambigani.
ngasi mani text na senba humni chuba numisigi ani chuba session jida tekinen session jida aya mati dai je lengpi ba aloi bungo kogi matwa bahadur madi dai ja eng jan beri ba dignitary punamakpu kai kan uchari amadi kogi director of textile and commerce in this textile and Helmet textile department dagi lengbi ba staff ngamadi weaver punamakpu su ayana taram aina welcome to jari asmgadi akoigi natural dye or vegetable dyes haibasi akoigi thaina ipai puna haktak tagi akoigi kare haitare akoigi India ji akoigi British na loilam chalak tagi mamang tagi hongna sejenara raba adugumba machu mamen ji yamna sejenaramde machu amani khatani adubu in akoigi ningsangba thoktingi matamdagi ai isamak hairangoi thong maibun lekai tegini maibun lekai da kum phanek ha ba posi koina koi huzik sahi humra maya yoksale aduna sigi koi ima koi ipu mamangi mamang tegi hongna sinjana laba sahi sani muki mamang aduki sangwe rangani khali kum mai ba pose aduna koigi British na loilam chandringi ki mamang di hongna sejenara bani aduka besinsen loilam sala kanta chemical ri pusala pani adu ai ingwan degi hen khang hairaba ong ba do jawbiri ma ke lai te kisu khangi ari alaman mayam de kisu koina ai laikai da kum phanek hai ba se mayang nai bada maming nai ba poni adu ba huchi phok da kum maming de ngai de adu ko pambi di ayam ba musala endangered plant oira bani sigi matang da ai workshop mayam ma yaw re aduga notice kisu yam yaw re kum mai ba post ki matang da adubu natural dye haibanga vegetable dye haibanga agi mota khitang khenaba lai natural dye haibsidi yamna khoi ki chemical ka hagadra khoi ki chemical zuna ta ba khoi ki minister of textile na yaraba adumba khoi ki modern thing and ingredients mam yalaba fixing agent yaudriba apona sa tobang aktani natural dye habsi khoi kum da nikhe ayamana aina phangba aina experiment obada phangiba magi machan mam se masidi loina ba khoi ki harvest lai ga khoi ki mana masing degi lobang apot aktani maduka ari kongreng yauri ba mam se khoi ki harvest ki pot aktani aduno sugumban sine natural dye ha in kobale ai isamak natural dye and printing se Bangalore tamai ko masi Bangalore tamak ting mamang da ai yam thoyna ai yam kanna chalu kanon te masi tobuki ting mamang da ai has masi ai lekai da ai kum ha ba pose kum phane ai masu sange khanga ko te kana ti khoi angang ngoi ngi da khoi lekai sangam de ilan nampak kodong bokpi adagi thawani ngombam sugumada ka sangami hai adugo ila khoi gi kawali lan do lampak ki mamang da mafam ani khak lai ani ngombam haibamga wai khom haibamga khoi angang ngoi da sangba chatli adagi matung makha ta ba da khoi ki lakai da chet kha ti sanga ka chu yam phajana adugo khwai mano la process ama pre process ama sangmana masina kodom bo pitigi ai gi sage chu irame oinam kaina haina mangonda aina sat aing ma ga de thengna hoktre ma 1993 da matam da sahi 96 7 na chu bakanda ma 1993 adai da ma legidre aduna ai hangbang nang hota adu mai masa masuda ai am loina hange ai yam toin satli adu hanga kanda process mayam je ai loina ma yam khange ai pong ba ri gi lai su mai process sum su lai je ma ki su ai process mayam yengi ai ate te ma research work to wa mayam ma su yengi adu mo mayam ai gi makha da PhD to wa mayam ma ai na puthoga Manipur University ki makha da gai toina ai na anga amani khoi ki natural dye khoi ki kumsida khoi modern thing modern season araga kum ma have posida PhD phangba angang pim cham nei kre ma lecturer wai kre adigi PhD phangba khoi ke Institute of kum dye haina khoi Google da phaktok pa loi yaw bani ma the process mayam am loi ira bani ma du ki mayam do adun hojik chi loina tokna kre adubu mai lai kai kum phanek ai ba posidi maming dile hoba adubu hojik synthetic color khoi chemical na loi silaga sange kai do na pambi do phangak ta ba pambi di ai hodi ai ngon da so adubu production to bongam da ba อันนี้มาที่ mass production น้อยนะทากันแต่ว่าปอดไว้บ่อันนี้มณีปุรก็เส้นทงนะไอ้ที่เอ็มบ่กุมว่าที่บางบาร์กิตามาอันโรดข้าเขาดีแต่ไอ้ที่เขาดีอันนี้บ่อันโรดจู่ว่าที่ไอ้ปอมลับก็ตาอันโรอ่างจริงนะครับจู่เขาดีนะไอ้คนจะเป่าข้าไหลอันนี้มุกคนลำเตียงตะครับเขาดีลำเตียงเขาอีกก็มาตัวก็ตาฮันตาค่อยกันกันแต่ค่อย MSc มินเซนบ่าForest Department นะค่อย MSc มินกี่มาค่าดาวค่อยกันมาตุกี้โปรแกรมมันได้กอบโตแค่ตุกี้โพสต์ดา Forest Department นะว่าที่ Forest Department นะบิเซมปูดิสตริกกี้อันนี้ Impala West กี้อันนี้ค่อยตันเด้งก็สุดตัวกี้อันใดอันนี้ว่า Impala West กี้อันนี้บิเซมปูกี้ที่ไอ้น่ะเทรนนิ่งตัวกี้Forest Department ก็เลยนะต่อมันเกี่ยมาค่าได้ไอ้วันได้หากนะไอ้เทรนนิ่งแม่ National ได้กี่Vegetable ได้กี่เทรนนิ่งแม่ตัวดีอันเทรนนิ่งตัวที่ Vegetable ได้ให้ไปสิดาค่อยจิยามพิซซ่าบีแม่สิดาข้างหน้าพี่ยาวเลยไอ้1994ได้กี่ค่อยเทรนนิ่งปีละคนนี้ Industry Department ค่อย DIC เลยอย่างกว้าง1994ได้กี่มาทำได้กี่ Block Printing เสียไอ้เทรนนิ่งปีไปเขาเลยอันนั้นนะDying the day 2009 dagi Manipur Science and Technology Council and IIT Kanpur ka loina na khoi master ka loina IIT Kanpur ya loina sam toroga ai ga qualification tonoraga khoi national dai gi matang da khoi training khoi gi society Imphal East anima Imphal West mafam anima khoi gi sei ani um kanaraga training program tawki Maduki scientist ni bido koi ma ai ki yum da la me IT Kanpur principal scientist yamna smart way masayam noi aduga yamna expert way ma mawandi knowledge man ju khang bang ngoi adege ai ki ngon ki suma sum high pet knowledge ma lo ki moi ti yamna adapted hai ba mi ni aduga yamna moi ti adu do nai na ba po ni na adu bo sina si way re adu koi ki thai ne de ki hong na ipai pu na tham biram ba ure rom ure rom ji 마주 상에 아주 칼라게 해도 거의 까기노 거의사 마제 거기 마주 상이 바 밤비 매암스데 거기 매암 동네리스나 에코스 아이디 좀나게 풀라가 또바 강부어마 알칼라인 베이스 알코올 베이스 애시드 베이스 아니나 라이 마시다 아코이나 이행다바 오직 아이나 담비기리 버지 사 거기 트레이닝 매암시 10,000 몽 오라마니 거기 मणिपुर के दा कोई हेलुम क्लस्टर ले रही में आंसी 2010 11 आता है देखी नहीं हेलुम क्लस्टर लापा यहाँ पर मेन होने तो कैसे मधुदी होंगे ना आई ट्रेनिंग पे बहुत है साता कुन माँ कुन थाज़ आई थमोई सेंग ना आई वन दा हिजरी बा मीडिया से कहीं नो दा नेशनल आई बेंगलोर ते तमक पुकान दा आई वजागी मतुंग इलाका नेशनल दा की वर्कशॉप याम न चले बाไอ้แต่ไม่รู้คนนอริสต์ไอ้ท่านตอนนี้ขลีบ่าคนยี่มินิสต์ออฟเท็กซัสที่มาฆ่าตาคนเฮนเดกราฟีมาฆ่าตาไอ้แบงก์โรดไอ้เทรนนิ่งจะรู้ตัวมาดูกี่มาดูตาไอ้แพทเทิร์นน้ำเราเป็นแบงก์โรดตะกี้มาดูน่ะไอ้พิซาบิมคนนอริสต์บิสเบิลได้เสียคนมณีปุรียามน่ะโฮสปอตปั๊มบียามน่ะพังงี้ปั๊มบีแม่พังบัสดาก็มาขลีปั๊มบีสิไทยน่ะอีไปพูน่ะสัจเจนน่ะมันน่ะไกลเนาะอูน่ะพูมายาวเลยอันนี้อุริรมยาวเลยกุศุมเลยยาวเลยสุมบะมายามากพอดีไอเทมขนาดนี้ตัวมีบุปผาเสอดูบุหุจิตีไอ้น่ะสุมหัวหน้าบะคอตเทนเนี่ยเป็นเซลลูโลสไฟเบอร์นี่คอตเทนไฮเบอร์สน่ะคอยซิลซิคอตเทนไฟเบอร์นี่มาสิได้เห็นสุนับกันแต่บักรีโน่ไอ้เนี่ยเอ็กซ์เพร์เมนต์ยังว่าคอยน่ะมาสิไอ้เนี่ยเอ็กซ์เพร์เมนต์สิไอ้ยามันน่ะไอ้ปั๊มบีซ่ามันก็ยังใครมุกเอ็กซ์เพร์เมนต์ตัวบุรุษเลยจำอย่างใครสิโลชิลไปให้ไปแต่นี้อดูไว้แซมเปิลเลยดีอย่างใครหุ่มมุกตั้งไงดีรวยไปที่ไกลเนาะมาสู้จียามน่ะพิกซิ่งโอยแต่ว่ายามพันธุ์นี้เอ็กซ์เพร์เมนต์ตัวกี่บาทตัวแต่ว่าไม่เอามันยาวบ่ป้าไม่ดีจำอย่างใครมุกไอ้สู้เลยมันคันเลยอดูยามน่ะพันธุ์น่ะคอยอัลตราไวรัสเรย์น่ะโทรมากับการด่ามาสู้อันนี้น่าตระก้าสู้ภาษามาแต่โกกตาบ่ไอ้พาสกัลร์ไว้บ่อดูเนี่ยบ่คอยน่ะปั๊มนั่นดีโอ้ยที่เคมีคอลเนี่ยสังมาสู้มาสู้โกกมาสู้เลยโกกตาบ่สู้ยามเลยมาสุกุมบะบิสเดเทเบิลได้ตาเคมีคอลเกี่ยมาหุ่นสมัยมาสู้เลยแบบนี้นะวันที่ยามวันนี้สมัย vegetable dye da masu yam khoi Facebook da degi kai da dye ni printing ni yam le no go vegetable dye gi da printing di yam na tap oi ba yam lu ba thabang ni dyeing da hana khang da di printing da di kha lu bo po ni ma di amu bo pu thok ko se ma na ma di kha yam na long khoi gi yam le ba soi ba adu ga po ni adu ga ai hanak national award ma su tha ki ni adu ga khoi gi kan hoi si da khoi gi national dye printing si da ju ma chu ma lai pa khan bi ra ga di notice di ga hoti lan gran pok ta le adu bu hoji ki hari ba khoi ipai pu ne season ram pa ma su kumbai bam lai re uri rom lai re adi kusum lai le re adi yellow da ki di una pu ga pho thoi hai mi pong ba da ki lai ki ma tu ngi na adu bu una pu hai ba se kanam da khang ma roi ai di khang kai ki no da ai di moi hoji ti ku ki lam moi khaba jo jang te ka phogi lai ma ton sing da ki ya lak pa ya lai se ai ya lu ne te koi bisembol line da koi nungi muti sa ba ta koi ta la koi lai wai khre ta da mangi ma nungi muti sa mani mana ma di nungi kwari si mam sat pani na mana ai bojan nang si koi ki una pu do ai sti hore ai yan bi la ken ma ya la ai u pu re mana pu bi la ka ai ma su sang e yellow do ton di phangi adu bu yellow ji khai pha ja ba de kai no singari hoji singari khara sa li bo hauri ko lo shela e singari de ki pha ja ba yellow ji di ma mu pha ja ba yellow lai tre ai hang ai ne hack experiment to ma am si de ki yellow mo ton ne am phangi adu bu phi cha bi ma phang bi ro koi ki cham cham de physically is da makhal mari manga lai water supply da phang ba physically adagi koi nungok dong na to physically vitamin C ma physically adagi laboratory phang ba physically makhal amane koi alam sulfate ko potassium yaw da ba sugum ba mayam lai ko koi to ayam ne koi nungsin la hare adu sugum ba di commercial loina koi no koi ki vitamin C ma ba physically koi ki adum na commercial loina kilo dal pasam tara kun bi ni maduga to na pyam fixing oi maduna commercial loina puthok su yare yam phajaba pot yam phangi light color di ma yam phajai adubu singare hai ba pot degi thaine ipai puna tong ma di yai akhoi record te phangte adubu ai ni experiment ai chai tara muki mamang de ai ne singare si sangba kanda yamna phajaba khoi phisabi mayam yaw bi di hore na hek chalaga khoi singare si kanam hobi raga di yengo lang khoi ki physically si adubu cotton da sangba ga muga da sangba ke di machu khena gani cellulose fiber da di magi pre-treatment na ma ta ka wai khoi chemical sangbo weta su cotton na lu we heli process am sangi muga na khwai gi la mayam na muga kinari do muga mu lai ba muga mu fixing agent we ba fast kala we ba lai te khodang mai haija ke phige mai mla kai phige sa ba ka lam di khuna ra su kongban ge phige ai adu ga khena gani mayeng nai ba da su mayam lai kai ki mayang nai ba ko mayang nai ba siga adagi atopa lamda saba mayang nai ba ka ani jege khena ba pre process raw material selection and process myam khena ba raw material selection digi hona sugum ba maming dei ra ba ai lai kai si mut pa ya de ko han khan ba digi ai mayang nai ba se yam first color oi na la ba wa adubu hojik si maroon color si ai vegetable dye tong na la ba kana honari hoji chemical thingjale ke no nephol color nephol je ayam ani india go mengi waina ko ayam thingjale odi bazar da yon ba thing e ada lai kanan lai bi tre wangkhai pareng da sangi ainan hidam khak thiru bani moi sangdre na hare kaya adubu agi di watan khoi lai ka gi mut pa ya tab ni na maroon color angam ga phe se ma si adu synthetic ma pan da gi la mum la pa ma sina mo chilla ka to ko ma tani adubu machu ma men ta ba ngam da ba koi lai ka gi han original oi ba mayeng nai ba gi pose aduba phigi da ju ngai re machu re mayam ne imai ben ju na khanga mani sing drop ama theng ma da machu polising tara mai manga pi ba phi do loi mang ngai de ho je ai na sang ge ba chemical oi ba ta su machu ko oi amu ba da gi ne hakha da gi ni machu loi mang ngai man do polising tara mai manga pi ba phi do sing drop ama loi mang doi ni mang ba yam yaw re ai ngon yam halai han da tu bazar mong di sing saw ba mayam lagi kanung mayam to phi an ba mayam ma lupa ka yam lak pa yam yawi adu ma yum da ne loi na ma ba su on tho ga ma su loi sangi adu ma ka ne texture de lu khali mangani adu na natural dye hai ba po si da phaina ma su all color the chemical phangi ba po si phang bang am de bo अदो फंगबदि आई होने होजी पेंटोन कलर है बमलाई इंटरनेशनल मार्केट लोग तारदी पेंटोन कलर से कोरिया द फोंगमनी पेंटोन कलर से देखी अखोइना ब्लू पियू ब्लू द लाइट मीडियम डिप आइना लई म्याम से अदु हाइब जाते बा इंटरनेशनल मार्केट लोग तारदी पेंटोन कलर है लाकनी होजी ngarang nan दजु आइंगोन दा वेबर सर्विस सेंटर दे गांग निपिम चाना आइंगोन पेंटोन कलर मायाम पिरागा होजी मचु संबिउ ने पिरामी थारे होजा आई होजी मचु संना नाबा अदु रेडी तोंना बो होनरे वेबर सर्विस सेंटर दजु अखंग बलई खंग दबलई अदु मना सुगम मायाम जे मापा लामदै लापा दजु हाइदों निंबा मायांग जिंग सागी सुगम टेक्निकल कनो मायाम जे हाइदों निंदबा मायाम जो खंगी ला खंगदरे सुगम मायाम जु लेबा मापा लामगी मी कांगु सिजु अदुना सुगुम्बा नेचुरल डाई है याम लाइना तौबरगे लाइरूनेब मैम नेचुरल डाई ने कोई फेसबुक मैम पुथोप यावरी होनाजनु अदुबु कयामना टेस्टिंग लेबोरेटरी थाकनदी मदु यारोइदब मैम लेब कमल ngसाई हाइजगिरिबा एक्वस पाम्बीसी एक्वस ओइगद्रा आल्कलाइन ओइब्रा alcohol oibra acid oibra habse yamna yeng mataka oiba adu gi hane experiment yeng mataka oiba natragadi akoina machuma phutlaga hekta machu sangjan mado yaroi aduna machu dim ta gini adu khalaga koi nungsa manga je thomakanda fedet oira kaneba sugumba mayam sil leira konina yamna machu sangbak ta di koi gi money tax koi gi director sigi tanaraga textile tanaraga sugumba training program ama to mayam je makha taba training phangnana ba koi weaver mayam na honabiro si harga ai matang sai tan losin jage
Thagachari kai khumnajari ba Sri O Brojendra Singh, proprietor Aston Dyeing and Printing Industry Impal loina State Award na mayamda fi machu sangbagi matangda sugaina thambirambagi dama khana thagar phongdukchuri aduga ngasigi tharomasigi technical session asigi makhata na ngangbigadaba kausinjari Srimati Jerome Indira Devi National Award Design aduga khoigi ngasigi lengbirakliba koi technical session asigi speaker singna 7 to 10 minute ki manungda lotion binana bagi dama khoigi sinjalang jaribagi maike degi hangat chari khoigi makha tarakpada designer talk laiba maramna khoigi thoromasi matam chana hauna na bagi dama sinjabani ma waro bibeyade hauji kausinjari kai khumnajari bi Srimati Jerome Indira Devi National Award Design
अहानबा मक्तदा आइना लमदम सिबु कोलिबा इबुदो इबेंदा hui koknona khurumjari मांगदा अखोगी दाइ सेलेंजिन बिरिबा मिंग ओइना अमममता पंजाद्राबसु आइना इकोकनोना खुरुमजरी अमसुंग मांगदा लेंजिन बिरिबा अखोगी प्रोग्राम सिबु मपुंग फाहन बिनी हाना लाकपिदुना मांगदा लेंजिन बिरिबा वीवर्स सोसाइटीज अमदी डिजाइनर अमदी लमदमसिगी अनकपदा लेबा चिनी नाउसिंग अमदी आइगी मांगदा लेंजिन बिरिबा अखोगी लमदम तामना जापान दगी लाकलिबा माय फ्रेंड युका and all the buyers who comes from outside of Manipur, and I welcome to everyone and I respect all of them. And loina na print and media gi chininaw busu ani kai khumna bok uchari tasengna di topic se khara tongale tobodobu aina hainingi ba ngasi Manitex ki humni suba program asida hainingi ba aina humni sida uzaba adagi akhoina mathangi lakpada amasung खोगी exhibitions तौबा मतमदा कमाइना खोइसे improvement तौगदबा अमसुंग अखोइना हंदकी improvement से मसिगी मतंग सा ए खरा हाइजरगे हाइबदी अखोगी मयाम अमा नैनादना लेरे आइना उजाबा खंगजाबा यामनदी तौहनजनिंगबा adugumba khara point khara katang ai haijaningi sida mani text mangarak suba ai mamangda marirak amukta yaujaba phangjagidri adubu mangarak suba mani text se aina uzabadadi aidi ahanbasu oizara duki madik phajare hana ai wakhanda laujei karamba phajabasida karamba magi decorations adigi locations akoina sem sariba efforts manung dagi aina uba manung amasung mapan dagi punna urakpa matamsida masida thodang lauriba punamakna department na amadi designers na angang singna adigi society na thawai yauna adagi akoi isasu asmani text da phamdoini handakti haibagi nungai base sisu yam nungai adubu khoigi akoina puthoksariba pot akoina sem sariba pot karamba miyoida karamba mafamda kanadagi mi laga karaida akoina yongadabano haibasida khoigi important oyeba akoina punamak sem sari discussion tauri tungi future gi akoi kamai tauni ngasi akoina yeng fashion show music khoigi culture unaba punamak se loinamak jenga aba matungda akhoi se yam rich oiba yamna khoigi ina kaira khunba lamdam amani ina kaira khunba akhoi isei do oiro akhoi culture do oiro akhoi textiles and handlooms da oiro adigi mi se lakpa matamda kamaina welcome tawba sigum mayam se munna yengu matamda di akhoi mung ina khunba se leite haina ina khanjei adugi su marakta akhoina yam nungsi aigi iche ichan ai isa akhoina puthoksariba potse masida maru oi haibase simuki yam haizening base akhoina puthoiba bumbase mana ngamjaba cotton silk adagi phanek phi mopa khida bumbase puthoeba dubu tawbadabu buyers na aina khwaidagi nungnangjaba buyers singsiga loinaba matamda makhoina angonda haibiba se ngasi ayukta morning da khoigi center da lakpi duna makhoina haijaba matamda moina yam appreciate with they all appreciate from the overseas buyer and Indian buyers, Indian exporters, and from the Ministry of Textiles, Handloom Promotion Councils, and everyone. They really appreciate. But khoina tarak tuise makhoina khoigi damak karamba orders pirami karamba advice orami kamaina akhoi se kari chau hairami kadai bo khoi the connecting tawbage haibase khoina aina I would like to ask the department to collect who got the orders, who don't, and who got the sampling, who got the inquiries haibase akhoi yamna maru oiba wafam amani aina haizeningi haibadi akhoi ngasi mayam ama kaudana yes of course akhoi culture akhoi rich oiraba akhoi punamak haithoi singthoiraba pumbase akhoi na utsei tawbadabu magi makhoina lakpa matam sida akhoi da kari advice obirami kari thambirami kari pibirami haibase akhoi nainadabasu yade. And I would like my friends Krishna Mehta, Padma, and Yoga. I hope you like our designs and colors and products and everything what we have shown all of you. And I hope you will give something tips, either orders, either sampling, either inquiry. For me, I worried about because we have shown to whatever we have in the textiles, handloom, handicrafts, and everything in sericultures. You know the girls who are reeling and how her efforts she is doing. So I hope we have already 2 days is more. So आप लोग सब कुछ न कुछ मणिपुर के लिए एंड वीवर्स के लिए एंड यहाँ के इसके लिए कुछ न कुछ आपको टिप्स और ऑर्डर्स और सैम्पलिंग दे के ही जाएंगे, हम आशा करती हूँ. And thank you so much, and I'm so happy to be part of Manitex. And as a designer, my first show, in the opening show, I have present as a fashion show. And I believe that our department directors and all the team, they believe me and have shown with the trust of department. And thank you so much to sir and to all who believe me in my designs and my efforts. Thank you so much. And Mang the Lingjin Wiribi, Iche, Ichan, or Imanabi, Punamakta, in a request sounding Base, Kogi, Laiba buyer say, Moina di pirage highway, the Okoina Sukwa, Kogi seeing BU, Kogi stole Sidani, Aina sea product put to e hibase, Kogi Dukan Pambamin and all Yingulo Haidana, the mina, Mokoti consider when Kogi stole. Whom drassi the Canada sung do no habido, Mosu cook however, Karaida, Karambana Paga the gay kind of arangse, Munda, Mokogi Kudeido, Cottongi, Kudeirangado, Moyampa meva. Adu Pami Hagadi, Utlagadi, Mahadum Wakandu the Genom Lak to Inhaba. Aduna Mayam Nasu stole Pamiriba, Itinau Singna, Mokoibu, Madame Sidam Telak, Yokogi stole Nasini, Okogi Potna Sini kind of hibedo. When a currency to what Mazang, I know Uber Masama in the Goina Zerija. Ado Sigi, see Hiraga, young Kana, I give up from the money takes is rock. Money takes again another years, and next year's Lapamatamda, Amena, Pazaba, money takes Ama Oini Hina in a Sutazi, Duga Igi Black liver buyers sing Haitare, the Moinazu, to give my dignity. Chanu creation the lingbirak duna moina apa thazaba wahi sarna sumai hai mathangi de sumai tausi do hoji hoji koi group semaga kari piba yage degi kari piba yai de khudai rang baduna kai do yai mana uba poto akoi gi office sanga sai gi sidadi mayam langbani na karai de phamaga kamaina hai doino se moju khangdabani na sai je lone discuss tawra matung da aina hayeng di noi orders mayam ama pibiu ko haina ina request tawraga moije ngasi admaina khoi kai ni si haraga ai loisinjarage. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to talk for some thank you so much once again to my buyers and friends. Thank you.
Thagachari technical session asida miyamda kanarba wapam kaya Sir Tokbirambi Srimati Chirom Indira Devi National Awardee Design Hazi Makatarak Poina Sri Halbam Sukumar Senior Designer Ragi Warul Tamin Nabagi Tanjadu Lominasi Ikai Kumnajariba Sri Halbam Sukumar Senior Designer Technical Session Asigi Warul Tambigani
Amado.
या मक्तला लास लिंकट पीरिबा कोई डायरेक्टर मिंगवन पंजाब इजिटेन अदुगा आइगा सागोल नरीबा ओजा बहादुर इंदिरा दुगा अतई डिग्निटरीज मैम अतई मगी रिसोर्स पर्सन मैम मिंगवन फजन खंग्रसु अनि इकाई खुनु चरी लेंबी रहीबा कोई पार्टिसिपेंट तौरीबा कोई आर्टिसन मैम अवार्डीज मैम अदुगा मपान की बायर्स मैम अमसुंग प्रेस की मीडिया अइना कोक नोंग इकाई खुनु चरी अइगे जे कैनोनी मगी ngасai जनरल ओइना को टॉपिक ओइना पिरक तबनीना ड्राइविंग ग्रीन ग्रोथ a workshop on innovation sustainable production practices this is generalized targe samjal lage slide ti umra mu shu bne du samjal ga yeng asi mathang akhoi gi hanak latest oi giba craze to kari no haraga aeroplane gi maning da akhoi gi air india express ki maning da ko akhoi safi lampi ki keno to do next plane de yaw gi do mayek tara mak hanak che yam nuai jabna akhoi director da moina मगी कनो तौजगे थागत उच्चगे मरमदी अखोई हेक एंटर हेक तौबदगी को साफी लांपी अखोई मणिपुर के जीआई फंगबा मोटिव्स मयाम द थेलगा अखोई इनवाइट तौवेबको सिगी कनोजे समझल नेक्स्ट अखोई फिसा बिजेओ अखोई पांग इयोंबा कनोसे मकोक न थोंग पुरिसिओ अदुगे हैंडलूम सेक्टर नेक्स्ट Sina Kenoni, Aquina Aina film number, Handlooms of Manipur and a go. Aquay National Handloom Data, Quayahana, Olamba director and release the Ukibni. Aduda, Nam give us in Jen, as I was up and Mamang the coloring Angi Budo. Moigi, Kenos and Mangon Semana, Hana Pline and Color, Siduoga, cannot open it. Quay Mitay Yondo, Mitay Yumjaws in labor. Next. And the gay, Sisu Mamlakai, Degini, Quay Quang the P. Hobo Kotpa Mayamama. Next. Aquay Kena was a Quang P. Amazon at Kanoko, Quang P. Sina Quay Amazon Angang Malis Chingini, Amazina Quay Valley Tamungi Ko. Sina Quay walks Kari Hadara, Melama Kangjim the Tokiba, Hapta Kang, a drink cannot open it. Traditional next traditional pattern Nakani. Sina Bazar Kai, Quina Saru, one Saru, Pisabi, Miam Sabam, Saru, Bazada La Yondorini. Quay traditional product ni, Masai Miam Nangana, Mamangi session to that, a quite inaugural session to that, quite panic, cannot talk about Badu, Mapan, Yauda Baduta, we calling high, Lugomani program, Chanari Bacano, Sina quite tribal textiles, Yam lay, and a tankul, Haki local, Mogi jewelry, Mayam. And then next, a quite young bill, a quite procession, number Chapatal, home with the sea liver Mayam say, Matakagi, Makadagi ko, Helluman handicraft, quite P. Apaba, 1KP, Haidaleko. At mo GI pangaba amasung panit adu akoy na siriba jewelry mayam ko GI tong ni khot gni tawri se next sina bazala ko main market next akoy gi kanogi ko gi corporation gi kanu to shop magi pantobi arcade adu next sina ko gi GI pangaba sapi lampi ko motif tara yaw ni mayek tara ko next yara sum mayek adu legi ni yare Aina Haijaning is a quite koi make as a make it round make se koi ko. Koi they cop derived to koi magi home chul line de koi is the Makong Palaga ko. Mamingadi Kaugena or Jabadun and Hybrid Magi like taking till make company. I didn't Makada later. She's a koi with the low money, Mamai Palan Bakolan ba. She a quite imitating make se quite koi and round make se circular hydarico. She take it or not opening next. She do. Kanoni, Koji Lokokba, Tin Mayak, I think some catching the ladies in a Sajini Chin Bagay to go. Quite Munna study the Wom Yara de go, my Angang sing Naha in Kalayam study to the go. I do a Koina or Zabadu Yama P. Home Quina de start a Wimatango. Adela Koina enquiry Chaluva Jagazaga Chaluvaje, quite Pisabi Naha sing je, quite had a traditional Maming the Kangdreva. I think a Koi Wora Medana. Sakramayeka Hailoko. So Maje acclimatized over more aware people Madarkali. Next. China Quina designs was a clustery program da TD and textile designer cluster Mayam das Han Baje. Koi Mayexe Canada Kari had a computer like a select or design and no one evolved over. Next. She Mayexe Canoni, a quagi Anamana organic form, a koi Kotbatawina. Sidana Quagi Mitay and Koi Muhum hexagonal go. English the hexagonal geometry yam hairem quite mitase. Masai can on high graph, quite director and high graph, Payadi can not over Kotpa, Yatin Bokotpa, do not quite Mayek and at a every workshop to go. Mayam the top number go and coin homes to go with. Next. Sina Mayek Karani, quite mitay Mayek, traditional Mayek. Next. See your queen hand bunny. Next. 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 Sina Sajina Chin Bedo. When a black and white color, China designer may am the help to Rokani, command to cannot evolve to join or command to tessellation to join next. China Mayek may am like to was our Bahadur go, traditional textile the Yawani next. China Safil and Peter Carino, the pigeon cannot walk Magi quite quackling Mayek next. Next. Yales from Conto. Lamtang Kulakana, who Jiki Mabangido. Chini Mayam, Pia Tangba, Wankai Gangula Saba, Ate, my artistic textile like go, English da, Magi DC handicraft, artistic textile like Madame de P. Sabada, Kutnamatam Zang, Hatli say artistic textile and that man to it. Next. Sigi Matang Jay Nanga the Vani and Masiti Kras Hamjal Laga, Madame de Masagi topic talk, design innovation can Hybado. Madam di ako na pisa ni sa iyang view pisa group anini amana tam na saba tam na su magi luen lumse koi kwang na saba duga yung na saba di tubani adigi kwang na saba di tapani kadi kumba adigi export bayaram na ko magi khwang na sawa pi do chama pi wal ko matam kyam sang do amada 15 to 30 days sang e ba aduna di kari pambai le laga khoi je kari innovation taw laga kari technology season laga pi thuna saba ya ga de maram di hojek che global wall se nogi mobile pai adu pai ko yam thun thu unalabani na adna po che order taw bada machine je yam na taw la kani machine je kamai na khoi na machine overcome taw dori no next si mayam next ya adagi adum samjal lo photo mayam se thum khara uche gen taw bani antang mamang gi do sini hoji yam kana khoi mayam nai ngari ba ai ni ilisu ko leirum pi ade modi ni in bakot modi ga mosa ga haido si hoji se khangde ai na de haider roi si ge hoji bo ji ai taw tri maram ju le re next sina ari ba mai ngak tani koi panik ta kari taw lamba next koi gi kana embroidery work ni panik mai nai bi de gi next Sina achu bi method ta saba ngak tani ko jala kai do la next sina koi traditional applic work akoi gi dance and costume lu hong mai gi phijon da uri ba mayam do si dei comment taru akoi design derive to do no next sina fashion show bombay le to gi ni akoi safi lam thi gi motif do sin la ga khra dei kui khre dei internet ni pan mu shu re next sina tangkhul gi designer man design to gi ni next sina koi mitei gi ari ba mai next China sumala mayek singje akoina design workshop designer sing chatlaga workshop to busida value addition ko project kamai diversified to do no maram di akoi gi traditional phi di ko magi phi inna ba ma nupin inna phi amaga phane kani ko adu mayam na bias la adu lei roi ba adu na bias tu gi damakta akoina kari pamge kari mahau pamge na akoina diversified ko product value addition to laga ano ba Pradar gumba, kari gumba, degi searching material, kari on bayai. Ano na, semain tok na design waktu, so bag kasi kudai degi saki ba kot ba. Next, China koi ki safi lam thigi motifs mayam de kari on ba. Next, next. China koi ki pencil ki kari oi ba ba kot ke next. So koi bag ta kari chem ba ba kot pa next. Adum chathabiro akoi hojek se akoi na challenges kari no haida akoi phisabi mayam se hojek se design di akoi designer mayam le first akoi ki raw material se akoi manipur phangna di raw material se acrylic haida re ko petroleum based product kanu lian nga kani cotton gumba eco friendly cotton gumba muga gumba alegi pot khara di ai se yaudre akoi ki magi senapati atai jaga da ko phi se ganja gi kano machine de gi saba adegi kano de gi magi kari haira ra chumba fiber mayam de gi jup budi koi manipur yam thang de fiber gi saba yam lai re ba ko chi mayam se koi na natural material da ko koi na mingon da value addition pi daga kari to ba ya ge ni aduga koi po che kyam thuna saba ngam ge khot ke sini aduga quality maintenance de koi mitei di khari hadare manipur le mi sing di ko mamita mokutta mamil pale do any design sabang ngani hojik che koi mayam se group ngasai cooperative gi kangun hairame group se ma ko akoi dedicated kangbu mana ka tawra ko pot che ma phajana quality da sabire quantity haidare machine da sabire ga na akoi ongtang mapan gi market che akoi phajana pot lisingam pio cham pio changla pio adu akoi na fulfill to bang man la si hai la gai tension jare
Thagachari senior designer Sri Havam Sukumar Visabi Singda koi lam sida library singda kanagada bawa from kya thambiramba koi technical session asikamari lena sugaina thambiramba gidama hanana thagachari Mathangda ngasigi tharamasigi technical session asigi dais the Lengsin Biribasuri Mutua Bahadur founder and director Mutua Museum in Faldagi koi technical session asikamari lena na warul khara thambinana bagidamak tolungna kokshin jari
ai si aru bi da gang ari yam nuai dong ne khali ado mar sa ngam ni na ai khara de ngang de ni male ado ga nga sai gi sengdok waron hai ga dara ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯨꯔꯖꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯥꯝ ꯕꯨꯔꯖꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯁꯪꯕꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 200ꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯌꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯣꯛ 1,000ꯒ ꯁꯨꯞꯅ 7-4ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯛ 7ꯗ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯁꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 800 ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯛ 7 ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯆꯨ 7 ꯈꯛꯇ ꯁꯪꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯆꯨ 7ꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯪꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯥ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯁꯪꯅꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯒꯣ ꯀꯂꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯍꯤꯒꯣꯛꯇ ꯃꯝꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯆꯨꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯥ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯏꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ pH ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯁꯦ 7ꯅꯤ 7 ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯒꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯨꯒꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯨꯒꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯇꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯪ ꯃꯜꯕꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯜꯕꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯛꯇ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯪꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ मरमदी पांग योंग हाइजे पांग हाइजे सुमाइना पांग तिंबनो जे पान हाइगे जौनी का हाइबा पान हाइजे थूने साबा यानाबा सुम मयाम लेखरे आदो मसी प्लेटफॉर्म सी हाइबम थोक्तेन खली आदो यामना वर्कशॉप दक्षिण बला वर्कशॉप ता याम मथौ ताइ मरमदी हुजिकसी अखोइना पांगनबा टीम हाइसिसु पांगनदीम पांगन सारबा टीम नि हाइरे अदुना पांगनदेम हाइबा नते पांगनबा टीम हाइबनी अन लोन सी यारिंखै अखोइगी लोन नाम से चुमना ngang अकायबे याम लाई खुदमने ता हाइरसी यामना फुंगोंग साबा ख्वाइ लमपन हाइसे ख्वाइ लमपन सी करमाइन तौगेबो खारम माइबा त्रापसुना मखोइना लेरमबनी हैना हुई हाइगले अदुना अखोइ लोन सी यारिंखै अखोइगी लोन सी चुमना हाइगी चुंखाम रानीना रानी फी सारे बिसिबु मयामदा हंगजनिंगिसी मसिबु पांग योंग हाइदुरा नात्रगना मसिबु योंखम हाइदुरा मान कयाम डेवलप तौरे अदु मान साबा मतमदा मयांग सिनबरा मया स्ले मयांग सिनबरा सिसु मयाम अम लेखरे सिलाई मसिदि थोइने हेन nganingde adiga atopa wafam mana अखोइगी डिजाइन से अखोइगी मोटिव डिजाइन नाम से अखोइना खंगबा मथों अमा तायेन खली अखोइगी डिजाइन से यामना लीरबा चाइनीज सिविलाइजेशन अदिगी हरपा मोहेंजोदारोगी मतमदा सिनबा मयिक याम नक्सनरी जे करिनो हाइबे तारगदी मतम मदुदा लेरंबा सिविलाइजेशन की मतमदा अखोइ मयिक सिंग जे लोइना सिजनरबा हातनी अदु होजि बाव अखोइना लेंगदन लेरिनो करिनो हाइ तारगदी हाइबा डिजाइन असि मरुमदा अखोइगी चनबी मयाम अमा थमनेबा चनबी अदु हिंगमनिना डिजाइन दो दुम हिंगमनेबा अदु खुदम ओइना आइ अमनि थमजगे ngasi phawbongda imai ben sina masa masu singi ningon singi masu sing lakna bu hona bada aikogi nahong phi na huji inari senari inari nahong phi huji bo angang ponari eba nahong phi ji bu karma masu angang mana adu ji higok na kari oiri ge ba oinate mapungda angobuna oiraga asangbana oire huji bo thadok na yadrisni adu masida aina amu mayamda फिसाबी सिंगदा अरुणबी सिंगदा अपील तौनिंगिदी मसिदा सिजनरीबा आइखोगी ममांगैदा सिजनरंबा खोइ मेक्से सिनबसी इवोल्यूशन अहुम सुख्रेबा अदु हुजिकदी तोख्रेबा मदु यारगदी हापियु मरमदी करिनोबु मदुगी कल्चर जो बिलीफ मयाम मदु आइखोइ थादोकबसी चुमदेन खाली सिनी अदुगे मु आइखोइना आइखोइगी ओइबा डिजाइन मयाम सि सेमगे हाइ तारगदी मपानदगी ट्रेनिंग तौरेबा डिजाइनर मयाम सिंगसिना अखोई डिजाइन से करम माइन तौना डिजाइन से सेमगदगे हाइतारे अखोई कर्व फॉर्म गातनी aduga tribal gi isinau sing sing geometrical form ngakani masi gi basic oiba form mayam jing sia khoina kadai bhau ai khoina circular form da kadai bhau si dum yai ani tainer tar gadi ani haji tessellation tau tar gadi chamana bani je puthoke hai tari marak ta ha pa tar gadi angle kaya da ha pani ka hai ba mai gi chanbi kangro ma maite gi ama le jaram ni adu akhoi di madu study to ba ma su leite adu ga akhoi gi leiriba art ki school hai ba tare Imphal Art College oiro Manipur University of Culture du oiro masi gi kaino sing je akhoi di hap ta bana akhoi gi design sing je mina masak khangde adubu akhoi gi design ji he u ma tam da mo khoi da di phau ga ne ba masi thai ni gi oi ba top top pa design amani khan ga ne ba adu khali si kari no khoi a mamang da ha na le ram ba design mayam du ne ba adu akhoi na believe mayam mama maduda samna harabada akhoi gi masa ningon pokpa ngang masu sing da akhoi na kari phanek thombi ge ha je khojaw lombi thonaram khojaw lombi ke do bai thonari no hai ta ri khojaw lombi du shele di nga sai gi madu bu bo lai ba mama mapa du gi physical relation da so bi khara le be gi ma si khogolai chu lai ni hai si phi aduna mai indicate tor ga mo khoi ni gi life ki lai re me ba physical do akhoi gi kai hai ta re physical gi lai ba position na do khanga ga mo khoi da pauktak ama pi ba thoi ba so maya ma khoi phi da maya ma ma lai ri aduna masi study to ba ma changi aduga huji ti yam na ko me ha ba tare aduga phi si ke do ba gi no hai ba tar ga di akhoi na umang lai da phane kali phane si kai no phane si imani ima yi kara na khoi fertility ki symbolize to do ri ni aduna chumne ge phi ma kalasu kali ba phi adu akhoi na season na sar ga di ma du phane na lowi aduna phane si ima gi masak ni hai na akhoi bu akhoi ge cha hong hong na ba pu si nung sang na ba lan thum chang na ba si gi khudam si pi hai na akhoi tha da na lum lai hai ri ba huji bhau manung da akhoi na ngasi bhau da pu thoi ba design mayam se masi dagi hen ba design mayam su legi ne na khali maram di kari ge no bu umang lai da amukta da chahi ma da amukta su u phang da ba chahi ani su u phang da ba chahi ma su u phang da ba tum ba phi mayam ma legi ne na khali aduna masi su akhoi na thi tho aga akhoi ki pot mayam se kari no hai si khang ba gi ma thaw ma tai na tham je ke aduna aroi ba dai na tham je ningi di akhoi ki design hai se kari no hai ba si khangba mathau tai aduga amu akhoi na sari ba phisa si aina amu aroi da hai je ningi se ngasai gi akhoi gi kai hai tai leirum restart to dui maram chu ai hai je ge khaitang pan je ge leirum mai si kar main do ge bo phisa bi ima sing na mayung gi lang si lang khara hu ba de gi huji gi leri ba leirum mai si thorok pani ha na gi leirum jo so na phaja khar dan madu ji lalu ko me happy aduga wagi mami happy asuk phaja ba si bu khoi na kari gi no hai di nga sai gi lang do tare cha go da ni pan cha ga do ba ani hum hu ram ni na madu thor ko me tu ni hi leirum mai na mayam lo khang na ri alu ngali ngai di madu na te ba adu ma si so khoi na study to ba ma changi man hai si chumbra hai be se adu ai khoi di madu summe hai na loraga incomplete in hai na a sa han do kari gi noi bo ai khoi madu phisa ba oja singa tanar ga mayung lang do horo mai si thok pa yeng si ha pa ga di si thok pra si ha pa di thok pra aduna huji ki thore ba me hi tar pani masina kar main to ge bo ai khoi da se na ba mayam ma thore ba masina kar main to ge Manipur da leiru mai si andro su season nei laimram season nei khurkhul season nei phayeng season nei aduga akhoi gi kangkhul sinau sing so moi leirum ka so na na season na di si mayek mayam ji kar main to ge hai bi se khoi na study to ba ma changi aduna masi expert changi expert chang ba si dai khoi na masi kadai bhau summi ge se nei na ba gi mathau tai aduga documentation to dana akhoi na lari phong to pa se mathau tai ma de lari ji phong to to ho dra ga di akhoi ji no no ma ge akhoi ji mang ji be dai aduga yari ma khei akhoi oi ba lon se masi हाप तंगाई फजे मरमदी करिगिनोबो अखोई लोंदो हाप द हौद्रगदी अतोप लोन अमा चटखरगदी नुवाइतब थोई अदुना फी साबी सी मणिपुर लेरिबा इमा इबेन खक्त नतना बांग्लादेश लेरिबा अखोईगी इमा सिंह हाइतारे इचन सिंह इचे सिंह मखोइने सारिबा फी एसी ख्वांग द मयेक लोइनमक थोई मतम अमदा मणिपुर ख्वांग द मयेक थोकपसी अंग फंग थोबी अदु हुजिती ख्वांग द मयेक थोकपसी अमता सादरे अदुगा बेल बेल हाइदना अखोईगी तोंगत प फीजे मसी मणिपुर याम सानरमनी अदु अखोईदी हुजि साबा हाइत्रे अदु बांग्लादेश तजी मसी अखोईगी युमगी अवांग थंगबा सरुक्ता साबद नतना चाखुमदसु साइ फमुंग मथक्ता फमगसु साइ अदुगा मसी पुनमसे सिदा नतना अखोईगी अवाले बाक्ता लेरिबा मैतैसिंग मसी अखोईगी एसेट हाइदना लुपा लाख तारा गपी फने अमदा एसेट हारिसे अदु मसी मोय थाहुंग चंगना साइ अदुगा आइना मु थमजनिंगबदी पृथ्वीदा ngसाइगी लोइलुम ख्वांगदा मयामसु पम्बिगरे मसी मतम चंगी हाइदरगसु आइगी ओइबा मियेंगददी मसी चंगजसुनु अदुगा मसीदा ममंदु यामना लौबा मी लेगी हाबा थोरगदी लेबदा काइदे न खाली मरमदी आइगी लेरिबा ख्वांगदा सारिबा फनेकसे मसी मयामना अमते पिबिरनु मेक्सी आइगी तोंगाना साबिरो अदु नंग रुपा लाख तारा पिगेसु आई पीनी गायबा से थोरपसु याय आई मसी जापान ददी अदुम तोई अदिगी अतोपा मना अखोईगी पृथ्वी ओइना ख्वांग इयोंगदा साबसी मुटखिबा तारे हाइदना मसी पृथ्वीगी ओइना मफम मफम खुदिंगदा मसी साबगी एग्जिबिशन तोई अदु होगिबा मनीटेक्स अहुम सुबगी अजवाइदा अमुतंग अखोई मणिपुरदसु ख्वांग इयोंगसी एग्जिबिट तौसी हाइदना अखोई होनगी अदुबो माइगी पाखिदे खरमति खांगी अदुना होगिबा सही तरुम की ममांगदगी बांग्लादेश ता पृथ्वी पुंबगी ख्वांग इयोंगदा सारिबा कंट्री मैमदुगी मिफम फमगा मद ख्वांग इयोंगसी करमाइदों सागे लाइव डेमो तौगी अदुमाइन तौना अखोइसु मनी टेक्स ता मदु चाहि अहुम की ममांगदा हाइबतारे मदु उठखी अदुबो मपुंग फादरगसु मदुना इथिनमदि पीही हाइदना खली अदुना ख्वांग इयोंगसे थादोपा यादे कैसु नुसा थेबिरुनो अदुबो माना लौनिंगो ममंदा लौबा याबा मयेक तो फजना साबियु हाइबसे आई थमजगे वाइ खर हाइरगा स्वाइने सम टेंशन जगे
Thagachari Kai Kumnachari Boza, Mutua Bahadur, founder director of Mutua Museum in Falna, Mayamda Yamna Fazana, Sugaina Tambir Viramba Gitamba, Kugi, Mahorol the Kitchen Aduna Laglaba, Firol, Kayasigi Maramda Sugaina Tambiramba, Hanana Tagar Funduxari Technical Station Asigi, Aruiboina, Kausinjari, Speaker Roinangasigi, Professor N.G. Ivoyama Singh, Dean and CUFT Central Agricultural University, Imphal.
So thank you very much. So yam puna makta luluk na koram jari. So ngasigi akhigi ngasigi topic si utilization of food processing waste for textile innovation. Akhigi food processing si ay ngasa haijagre food processing di adum tawdon yumda tawbuni khangde entrepreneurs pakhalaga tawbuni khangde tholei iba madudagi waste tuna aikoine textile da kari kari season ba yagadage mayamna ji innovation na kanna lawnari basida saigi waste food ki waste na kai to ba yagadage haibagi wakhandadani aduna akoigi sigi highlight si world gi oina साइगी टेक्सटाइल से 1 ट्रिलियन हाइबा अदुगी बिजनेस नि लार्जेस्ट एंड ओल्डेस्ट नि मदुदा मरु ओइना अखोइगी ख्वाइदगी हेना जागी टेक्सटाइल दा तौरिसे चाइना मथंगदा इंडिया बांग्लादेश वियतनाम मयाम सिगी लंबी सिदा कन्ना लमजन तानरी अदुगी मतुंग सिदा साइगी इंगुसे टेक्सटाइल सी प्रोडक्शन तो मतमदा साइगी मागी वर्ल्ड की रिकॉर्ड ओइना masai magi production ki quantity sum hengalak pri yeng cheba so 2022 2058 million tons ni madu matung da 2020 years ta 109 2030 dana 145 oibagi yabagi adugumba prediction ni kani ne the population is increasing so that's why akoi gi season na bang asai gi textile so adu hengalak pataba aduni ngasai koi ne haining ise madu matung da ngasai gi maru oina huje kanna tanari base karam textile da mayam na koi tan tanari gi haibada ngasai gi eco friendly fiber haiba synthetic na taba eco friendly hundok pada biodegradable oiba adigi circular fashion na ko haidi adugumba adigi digitization da ngasai AI lakre automation e-commerce mayam si masi kanna masigi trend se lamjen tanari fast fashion slow fashion gaina adugumba designer kaya marum amasu madugi da trade sida sanari bauji tongdari sida maduda ngasai challenge kai no boji oji akoi kari kai tawudagi haibagi wakhan sida kai haige the labor rights and the fair wage ne koi labor se yamaktre magi wage se yamna sauraktre and environment impact sai synthetic fiber mayam sina sai eco friendly oiba sai organic fiber singse sum namtharak pagi pima ma laikre maru ina dai dagi dai jina chemical dai mayam sijanare masi akoi gi challenge ne ujilai supply chain disturbance abasul laikre adi matung da sai India da the textile se karam stage laige haibada kamai tauge da akoi si largest producers of textile ne ba akoi India na tauri se madura second largest employment generator after agriculture ke hek mathang da sai gi food ainga sa hido roti kapra makan hido sai roti sina matung da sai kapra sina largest agriculture oire masina kamai ke diverse heritage ni akoi using se tauriba sai gi program ma sisu sai gi heritage ke daliri bang sai gi heirloom gi mayam adu protect tongna ba adugumba stage amani government support akoi kai phange haibada make in India si sina akoi gi leigre PM Mitra Parks adagi suguma program khara laikre adagi highlight sida kamai togi economic background ne ba akoi gi Manipur da harigadi heirloom sai textile se koi economic Manipur sibu paisa pahen gya harigadi si soidna mak tawija tawdaba yadra thabak ne ba maduna ngasai gi mana karam mana hena Manipur da tawge da Manipur ja 90% ding ngasai gi women in the led tawwe ba ngasai gi business hai ba ngasai gi textile business se ato government ge support kai phange ha ba da koi gi promotes a district specific textile products sima laigre adagi one district one product adugumba program ama laigre adagi digital India haiba adugumba program ama so koi gi textile lom dagi lakre ngasi hui tawriba Money Tax 2025 sina tawriba ngasai objective se kari oige da showcase eco friendly textile natural dye eco friendly textile mayam ama expose tawre dye mayam ama so expose tawre masigi kanaba mana distribute the looms and the accessory weaver singda piba yaba distribute tawba yaba tawjare provide the financial aid to the grassroots artisan so this is the ngasai objective of this our Money Tax to Expo 2025 so is madung matung nang ngasai even the governor of Manipur mana so high reba but the heirloom textile sectors are Manipur economy's heartbeat governor of Manipur na so sigi wahi high high badi Manipur ki aseng be economic se kadai lak tu din hoida high bang ngasai movement mayam na puthok na tawriba ngasai chali ba lambi sida tangsan biu madu da khut na bo honna biu soidram akoi economic da kana ba phangani haiba aduguma message ni madu na ngasai haiba money tax 2025 sina haiba mayam adugi platform ama pora aga masida adu makhana nei na bagi chance ma pibi bisida sai gi koi department of heirloom and textile se adumati ki thagat sabasu pokchen adi matung na ngasai gi environment impact of textile to motam sida akoi environment da kari effect legi haibatu number 1 water consumption ising yam draka leyeba ising ya kayamuk draka legi dana furit ama sana bhona bado ko 2700 liters of water draka leyeba haibu 2700 water se mi amana na chahi ani makhai thakna ba ising neba mi amana thakna ba chahi ani makhai ising thakna ba se furit ama sana ba honrak pada ngasai changi ba lang putoi ba mayam singse masi water se draka leyeba adu nadi ekoi je kai dogdare koi akhani water yam changda ba kani mi thal legi hai ba koi chi thi ba ta जुम नेक्स्ट अनदर वन केमिकल पोल्यूशन मसिदा ngसाई केमिकल मयाम हापचले डाई मयाम सिंथेटिक कलर में हापचले मसिगी इसिंग कदाई थादोक्तुइनो where has to send this he has to go to the river pond adi river pond ek matroni nga singdo loin sirani siba nga do kadai ri sirno gangne bazar pukhalani sarani adudagi makhan makhan lena cancer adu chemical ngasa dai singse ase carcinogenic ne any food color amo obai any color se chemical color se they are very dangerous the carcinogenic they can cause the cancer madu aikoina nga da pijaroni nga do khoina muksaroni aduna ngasigi ecosystem asida yam akaiba amala eba asagi lusida asagi dai sida aduna mayam noji toise ikoi edible dai adagi eco friendly dai mayam ko chi chinare ise chemical dai se nataba adu matung na ngasagi wastage generation lot of waste thokla eba ngasagi sagi phije akakpa phattaba mayam pa thokla ne ba masine ngasagi environmental impact textile gida oiriba phibamsi aduna ngasagi phima puthokna bo honra pada mayam na tawriba thak mayam do adugi ompon do aduna di kari hoji india da au manipur da kari ki tongnar e haibada kari dakala kari torke natural fiber haibase dai base ko chi chinare sai health problem da lakui mayam the environment problem mayam lakui mu da sai natural fiber koi dai se puthok hore ba kadai degi farm waste degi ta thidong na teng ja farm da leiba charu dei khangde dagi koi ki chujak thai khangde adagi pineapple ni khangde adugumba ngasai farm waste dagi aikoina puthokada ba adugumba dakala e adudadi ngasai growing problem se kari growing problem nei ge da mani food processing the growing da waste se food produce se 1/3 of the food se waste away for example tomato 1 kg 100 kg puthoing halo farmer na 30 kg di mange waste awre pineapple so 100 kg da 30-40 kg waste ngasi ki waste tawi bang sa economic loss ne farmer na wana puthok je bado loss taw khrabane madu ki waste to ai khoine kamai taw ge da kamai to season na ge haibagi adugumba no ne economic loss to womane ba adigi ngasai gi anosina ngasai gi maru oina ngasai world gi oina problem dai sina ngasai gi waste mayam sidagi methane ba gas thole manam nam thiba methane gas thole ba hai methane gas na kadai chake da am mathak ka pai khalaga am mathak ngasai gi ultraviolet radiation ba ya ba ozone ne ba layer am le re ba ozone sina masi sum hangdore ba ozone si sum hangdora ga de akoi ji nungsit ki san gi numit ki maisa dana koi sidui ne madu sidana baina ozone layer amna kupsan thammi madu ilokthok ki badane akoi sire do haibo ozone layer se kanana disturb toge da ha methane gas ne tawe mase kadai de methane sai waste pai ba mayam de ki thorok pa methane sina aduna ringa sai koi waste control taw ba ta I season na ba ta aduna ringa sai ki objective lai se adagi अनुमान ले सकरे अदोग opportunity जे waste kai kai season abi age haibada aikoina ngasai gi hundoroi dabani moise valuable resource amo oina season na ba adugu lambi da ngasai gi textile jesu adu minus season na ba yagadra haibagi approach ma khalam ne aduna ding ngasai textile environment footprint sida kamai gi gom conventional textile pollution sida aikoi maru oina heavily water pesticide energy mayam sange ba maya hui taunari ba sida ano wa ma puto je ba kudam moina cotton je pujila singi thana honna bada singyana mo sange ba adu arega de khoi kai thiga de demand se yamna kana lakhre sustainable alternative ano no ba kai maina to goda ge haibagi adu gumba question me amala seeking eco friendly textile option adu sustainable material manufacturing process mo material hadana lakada ba manufacturing to goda ba adu gumba lambi ma thire saigi amal leitana ngasai Dimapur line thingraga ai tokani aiba nataba adum aigi laknaba lambi ama sinnabagi makanna aduguma iho ama thole e bahugi aduna ngasai potassium waste na kamai tawge haida sai textile jab changak taragadi ngasai promising kama yamna adugumba promising oiba adugumba objective ama oigre aduna ngasai suma mangandaba zero waste haiba adugumba cellular economy si lok choina tholakani haibagi adugumba lambi dani kwai ni lakchari se aduna ngasai diagram yekchari se khattaude mayam do loina khomjalo aduga machine je thajalo aduga ngasai langwin thola ani sigi concept sineba aikoina pami se any waste with lapu khangde, la khangde, anything, whatever you put into the system, processing, then you will get your fiber, then whatever this thing. So this is the objective of that, and transforming this waste into textile raw material can align Manipur's agroeconomy with the principle of circular bioeconomy. Ako'y Manipur asyong atong economic atong pwede kanagani haiba duma lejagre sini samsam yang si simple ngasai la adri kamay tok sigya simple kamay tok na ngasai gi ako'y textile puthok kadage ba flow sar ama sem ba se aham bada waste collection taroni extraction tawrone ba fiber extraction dye extraction adri technology takala ane ba adagi maji process me amdo chemical loiba yai biological loiba yai adu kamai kai da last da kai pange de da the fiber dye finish le ne adu regadi ai koi sustainable textile phangane ba wangyan da depend tok da ba isan isagi puthuk da ba lambi ema semjara ne ba adu regadi yeng kai thok ka de ba sangum da hairo sangum da ki kaino ma protein ma puthuk yai ba protein sina ngasai gi muga man ba silk fiber puthuye ba masi loi cha chanar ma ngakta ni ko world da akhoi na so haubugi wane amana khoi jagi banana sudu je banana je akhoi lafu je ka ani manungi do mapai khan lokthok rani manung kha charani mapa lokthok gi bodo maduna fiber pothuone ba fiber pothoi se jagi eco fabric yarn kau kre aduna amung asai ge mu pineapple leaves se akhoi na madu yaw be chemical pothoe kari no ba maduna kai to ke pinatex leather re na khungup sagale e ba achauwa ngasai company amana magi brand name je Pinatex ko weba pineapple dagi saba asai gi no mana leather like sai ono ga saba ho reba ari corn starch sai ngasai koi ge no se corn nei ji ngasai gi chuzak tagi kai sage da biodegradable fiber puthore ini waste sama akoi fiber da putho ya bagi lambi ma lai reba aduna ngasai gi no si we food dry natural dye na kai kai oi da sai koi turmeric le jakre yangang se the beetroot pomegranate or indigo ado koi gi ahan ba koi urei rom le sai hai jakre urei rom ji ngaji sangani ngakhar le ga machu ko kharni ado koi do kamai ko hi no madu kamai na liten taw da ke hai badu ne ba ngasai research taw dri adu khoi wa le ba khoi le remi badu adu tor ka du sin na ba madu da kamai na thijala kamai to na fasting oi ga da ke hai ba ama leite adu na kaya mu kana ram ga da ke atai gi dai da ke khoi gi ure rum sina kari kana ge hai badu madu so adu data ama chem ga da khoi muga hare muga je khoi chale akhoi muga je kai sin na ge ba lai khoram ba da mandir sa pata kari maram gi no muga se sela ga lai thang changam mi se kari gi no magi maram ne ram ga ne ba ticket pa ya ba scientifically based over ya maduga aseng do khangak taragadi kanaba mo oiram taragadi madugi sai marketing si saula ane ba whole world recognize saura ane ba muga je lai chang de sang da season da mi je kari no sugu mo mayam se koina tigat pa ma daka le aduna sai dai de so koi to bo yare akoi gi processing se adagi amana ngasagi source of by kada ke da Manipur da sum da kada ida fange ba question hangai se pineapple ma ka phan thare pineapple ni waste ma gi masa kari kara mayam do labuk ta loi ta dana patna mang dana leigre banana sudo se sina banana to ma ka ani manungi ma cha thokani ma pan da lehu du mayam ta le re adagi turmeric ginger sima patna pum dana ma puthop ngam da ba ching da gi sida purok ngam da ba patna leiba kangbu ma leigre adagi madu ineu nongna lotus Manipur da fiber lotus mayam se fiber saba hoga kare fiber se kari kana ge du thijandri aduni kana bodo unique property do putho kanda ai ancheng bo ram ta dei patenting mun tawi ai patent do bai ai ada sugumba mayam leigre aduna ngasai gi che this is the sources sagi ngai pineapple fiber se wai payingo pineapple se le fiber pothore se ani subada ngasai banana se dagi puthore masi patra leiba manga tani ko mai tha gi dana photo lagi ma tani mo fiber ro ne potho abane ba adinga sai turmeric se sinanga sai turmeric sina kwai phai ma phong khoni mak ta turmeric sine ba saudi dia ri yungu so ba baton taw mo tan da baton gi malap ta ngasai gi no si sai gi turmeric se tairam gane ba adigi ma gi luhung matam da masa pu ma turmeric ne tairam gane ba adu mga sagi healing power leiba adu guma turmeric se hojik Manipur da khwai digi phaba sai turmeric se thoye ba Tamilong da noni da phangi ba tam si asida khwai digi phaba de kamai na phaba yenge da masi ya color gi lu se कलर से अखोइना कमाई तौगेदा 7 अराउंड 7% यौवेबा मेघालय दा फंगिबा ख्वाइदगी यामे हाइबसे अराउंड 10% नेबा कर्नाटका तमिलनाडु दा फंगिबा टर्मरिक से हार्डली 4-5% नेबा ऐसा इंटरनेशनल लौरीबा पैसा से टर्मरिक कंटेंट दनेबा अखोइदि तमिलनाडु दा पल्लीबा मयाम से अखोइ अराउंड 7% कोई कुकुमिन याव सुक पगरबा जागी टर्मरिक से सिदगी अखोइना जा हीलिंग पावर माजी हीलिंग पावर नेबा कनागोमा कोक सो एंगल कदाइन सो एंगल संगोम दा यांगंग हापका थिलगा थगनरिदरा मागी हीलिंग पावर अमा लैयेबा अदुगी टर्मरिक से अदु अखोइ मसी अखोइना टेक्सटाइल नो ओंथोक तारगदी अदुगी कानबदु करी कानगदगे मसी उलरगदी आइ हुमांग मनन नथिबसे थोप ngamdaba अदुगी नुमिना थारक मतम दा यूवी लाइट लौथोखिदना आइंगोंदा स्किन से फजना न तौबा सुकुमा मयाम थीबा यायेबा अदुगुबी अदुमा लेजखरे अदु ngasai से ngasai लोटस की से लोटस से पोथोए मसी लोटस मयाम लेखरे मदुदै थोइबा फाइबर से अखोइ फी ओइना सादगा लेरे मदुगी मासागी मागी स्ट्रेंग से टेंसाइन स्ट्रेंग टेक्सचर स्ट्रेंग मसिदा केमिकल खरा तौरगा इसिंग सादन मतम दा इसिंग रिपेलेंट ओमसु यायेबा सुगमा मयाम रिसर्च तौबा यारे अदुना ngasai उरेरोम अखोइगी लास्ट लेबा उरेरोम से अखोइ मसी अखोइने इंप्रूव तौबा याबा लेयेबा अदुना ngasai gi food processing ye manipur da karan ganba food processing tawri ge aya mane kai tawgeda fruit preservation ginger candy turmeric power pineapple based product su mayam kan tawri ba si thole ba ngasai si masina ina example amana haibani ngasai tokun haiba sai company ma sai brand name ma koi manipur thole masi run by my wife na run tawba ni idp kharaga pullaga tawba adugumba tokun haiba pusi tawraga masi thole ba product mayam se si phaluma kudam oina manipur gi aseng ba thali se sida sangi bang wasai magi mathin mayam sarak na bhona bada thodak turi bang asagi waste turi yengodona madugi waste mayam dune bang he processing gi waste mayam dune ba ekhoina hundok gi mota compost sawe mota ekhoina fiber rom da bosalak na ba hona si ha ba cho generate huge food waste masigi waste yengo 32% of the ekhoigi food produce waste chakrabane ba masigi waste ekhoina kamai tawdana masi extracted tawgade ba ngasagi processing techniques kudam mo yengo se food waste agi food industry product fruit peel madon natural dye fiber puthokpa yai sigi process da adugi matung nang ngasai extraction tawro ngasai na kamai extraction tawgade da ngasai natural dye se ekhoigi alkali haiba solution se da hapchalaga elam na fix tawraga tumaina process ma puthoga ekhoina ngasai gi dye ji puthokpa yai अरे खुद मोइन मसली याइबे से फ्रूट पजंग मयाम से के ट्रिक से मंगाक दाई ngak ni ko ai onion se pick up tauge ba koi ne onion se tawma tan onion ni sai peel se koi hundu e mai sadu e ba onion ni peel se ki ai kai pu thok ya ge ngo masina process pi re ngo process pi re ising da lolo madu matung da pu thorei ba mai alo sina dai sina sangi ba mayam si ngo sing sai hundu khar ba onion du ni ko स्मार्ट तौदना अखोइगी इको फ्रेंडली होइबा डाई केमिकल नतबा डाई जो अखोइने सब्सिडी तौबा याय हाइबा अदुना ngasagi करमबा प्रोडक्ट पुथोखरगे इंडिया दा और वर्ल्ड करम पुथोखरगे दा लिस्ट तौजगे अहामबदा ngasagi अनोसिदगी कोमला माकु सिदगी पुथोखरेबा फाइबर पुथोगा माइ कई सीजन नगरे यमुसे मसी कंपनी करम कंपनी अमना साल्वात्रो फेरागामो आइना इटाली की 2017 दा मान मसी पुथोक्तना कमर्शियली सीजन अब होग्रे ऑरेंज की पुथोकपा मागे करी वैल्यू लेगे द मासे सॉफ्ट ओयबा लाइट वेट ओयबा अदगी छाई वर्सटाइल सीजन अब हम द सीजन बयायबा माने 2017 इटली सिदा मसी से कोमला सिदगी पुथोखरेबा तमिलों कोमला लेरे अखोइगी मसिन लेब कोमला मकु मयाम जे करी करादि सिजनरीगे हाइबा हुंदोक्तना पत्तना मांग मांगाक्तने बा मसि अखोइना सिजनबा यागे मागी प्रॉपर्टी दी सॉफ्ट लाइट वेट एंड वर्सटाइल नेबा अरे मतंग जदा ngasagi orange fiber ma lekhere mathang ani subana ngasagi si orange fiber na saba ngaktani ko ngasagi magi dress mayam se adu mathang da kai hagi da ngasai pineapple sidagi ko pineapple se kari kai sa leather fungu ko sari singu se Pinas, ngasagi Pinatex haba company sina. Aji internet ta ju bi Pinatex na. Pineapple degi sabak phungu leather bag akta floor kan. Masi sagrabane. Akhoi ni pineapple phangi, akhoi gi waste to kadai chakhra ge ba. तब याय है सागी इन्वेस्टर सागी ग्रेजुएशन क्वालिफाई लोबा इनहा मैम लेरे मोइद सुगुमै लंबीसिदा अखोइन मदु इन्वेस्ट तौबिरगा मोइने रिसर्च तौजरगा मनि पुथोकजब याय अदा खादब यारोय अखोइ मणिपुर मचा सिंगसे यामना कनबा यामना इचंग थौबा मयूने डुप्लीकेटर नेबा मीना मसाबु रे माल सादे सारकनेबा मसाना तौना भोना जेबा मिओन डिपेंड तौदेबा हजितबु नु तौग्रबनी कनागोम लेकाई लुहोंगम लेरो सुरा अम लेरो लेकाई मैम हौरगा तौमिनब थबकतो हजिके तोखरेबा स्लो तखरेबा अदुना सि तौमिनब याबा अदुगोम ngaktani अदुगा मथंगदा कनाई ओगे नसी अनोन साबा ngaktani को ngasai पाइनएप्पल की वेस्ट लगी साबा फाइबर लगी साबा ड्रेसेस मयामनी मदुगी मतुंग ngasai की नोसे एप्पल ngasai अखोई की नोसे हाइटुप चे सारा कामदा लेहुरीबा पोचे लेदर सारेबा मसीगी लेदर साबसी करी काना गियुंको करी काना रोंगे बदंग साई बनाना फाइबर कैन बी यूजफुल बनाना लेखरे अमसिना कमाई तौगेदा साइगी एप्पल दगी अकोम बदा तौइबंग साइगी गनोसे कॉफी ने साबा नोसे मासे कमाई तौगेदा अखोइगी नोसे ऑर्डर रेजिस्टेंट हैबा अखोइ हक्चांग द थोइबा साइगी ऑर्डर थोहनदेबा दुगी अल्ट्रा वायलेट की रे से माना ngakthuएबा साइगी दुगुमंग साइगी अनोदे साबा कॉफी ग्राउंड पेस्ट के साबा दुगुमबा पालोसे नेक्स्ट अमुक साइरसी मथंगना साइगी एनवायरनमेंट रिड्यूसिंग लैंडफिल साइगी लैंडफिल अमा रिड्यूस तौरे माइके कानबसिंगदुनिको एनवायरनमेंट की नेचुरली रिसोर्स लेरे अदगी प्रमोटिंग सेन इकोनॉमी मसी साइगी अखोइने पुथोंग मतमसिदा अखोइदा आदा लेरिबा ngase मणिपुर की खोइगी मोटिव अमा यावरे कमाइना ngase रिसाइकल तौगे है अदुनै उजरिसे सेकंड तौरे अद मणिपुर से याम स्मॉल इंटरप्राइज खर लेरे मोइ थोलकबा वेस्ट तो लेरे अदु अखोइगी मसी पाकथोबा मसी अखोइ मणिपुर से इंट्रोड्यूस तौरबा अदु ओरगदी अराउंड 10 to 15 crore annually कोई इकोनॉमी ता इंक्रीज रोकने 10 to 15 crore अखोइने वेस्ट मयाम से कोइने सीजन न तारगदी हाइबा अदुगो मंगासागी इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज है न्यू मार्केट में लाने अनौनौबा थंबान की लोटस की फी अदगी मरुइना खोइगी ngसाइगी कहिदारे थांजिंग याउरि मसाइ फाइबर थांजिंगी फी गाने पुथोरकपा अनौनौ मार्केट का थोलअनेबा मसी एडवांटेज है टेक्सटाइल लाक्टोसे अमना जॉब से आफ्टर एग्रीकल्चर साइगी टेक्सटाइल ना अनि सुबा साइ जॉब गिवर ने इसे वुमेन मैम यंबियो मैम वीवर मैम मा मसा मतों तौ नतना अतोप मी मसु यावग तौरिबने अदुबो मैम लेगरे अदुगा ngसाइगी बेनिफिट सोसाइटल दा इथिकल सस्टेनेबल फार्मर दा मतेंग पांगबिरे हेल्थ दा मतेंग पांगबिरे मैम से तोंग मतम सिदा चैलेंज कई कई नोइदा अखोइगी ngसाइगी एक्सट्रैक्शन मेथड से लेत्रिए we don't have the standard extraction method for dye and for the fibers. So then after that, absence of standardized quality control. Kamaina quality control tawgudage, magi tensai strength kamai tawi, magi texture na kamai tawi, smooth na kamai tawi. Haiba adu gumbagi adu mi standard check tawno balite ba. Kana aguma mana poraga si check chang tawiu hai. Kana na tawduino. When you wait to all pita lai ba. Muga je wait to all laga yon bay film lai ba. Adu mati yangi adu mati pasa yamba. Haiba adu gumba mala ba. अदुना ngसाइगी मरुइना सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी अखोइगी 13 कॉलेज under the CAU, 1 college in Tripura, it is a community science, they are also doing the textile. So akoigi CAU, we can help in the research. CSR NIS, IBSD, Manipur University, Dhanmanjari University, National Institute, all these things combine toraga tobaya ba aduna ngasai akoina maruina furi se lilaga phi lilaga antioxidant leiba adagi aidi ngasai gi antimicrobial I think microbe akoida laina pohon bai khoi ke haitare disease pohon bai ya skin disease ubal microorganism yam se moina ngak thok ba adu ke kawi functional textile kawe ba bisalani ko adagi challenge solution se kamai to scaling se kan to no honrak ba ko solution se scaling to ba textile testing जो फजना तौबीरबा अदु एरगी अखोइगी इंटरनेशनल दा अदुगी कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी ngasi वांखै फी मा सारे सारिबो वांखै फी से माना चामा सागे साउ चनी सागे साउ सब मानबा क्वालिटी होइगदबा अदु कवि कंसिस्टेंसी क्वालिटी नोंमना खरा फै नोंमना खरा फते अदुदी याररो द कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी लेनबा होनरक बताबा अदु एरगदी इकोनॉमिक्स को कोर्स सेनो तौरानी अदगी बाइंडिंग दगी चैलेंजेस सॉल्यूशन सी Kona asigi akoigi integration with traditional Manipur textile Manipur ki textile sida phanek lere moirang pi lere layum phi le masida akoigi intervention se karigu ma akoi finding tori bang asagi technology se moide include toraga amu henna maman kana amu henna innovation oina puthokpa yai haiba adugumba already mai proof tawgrabni ko asagi waste gi thawbang asagi langji hapchal matamda akhoi gi no se koi silk worm silk ki product sida hap matamda yamna phajana puthoe haiba adugumba proof tawgre aduna ngasagi masi yawising rani fi fanek fi lairum fi mayam che waste ki loina puthokpa yai adu regadi ngasagi future prospect ka kamaida ngasagi scaling pilot plan tawgrani ko si future trokata ngakani ko ngasagi nano technology haiba adu mahapchal ani adagi manung danga sagi blending with the other suitable fibers sida suitable mix tawwa mixing tawraga iko adu tawwa sagi traditionally property mangan daba adu gomba ko adagi bio based dye finish mayam si akoi masi akoi future dani ko tawwa yaba thaba ngakta na ina hajari sana adagi amana ngasagi food waste textile automotive ngasi yingo car manung da leri ba ngasai decorative mayam do decorative mayam do hoji ti kari hoji plastic ngakta ni to hoji fisil to we kan ba fina koi waste lagi to ba fisil to we amana home textile haiba se akoi kai haitare koi bedding gumba furniture gumba bedding chawma tamda haiba ngasagi anusi to we ba amana kamai to be da medical textile da yamna sizna yeba kana gumana bandage yesan gereba bandage allergy goi taragadi ma hakka chaba khojal ba yam lakane ba adu laktaba ba adu gumba fiber se ngasagi waste lagi puthueba adumai to dana ngasagi no sagre we what patent now regarding patent aina karigo anowom puthuaba anowom legadi mingon hiding aida mingon the publish to bring aida before publishing before telling to anybody you find a patent adu edi that property is yours you can keep for 20 years you can sell it this property so your own property like low leiba hingo leiba dona mangon da ama pata ama pineba this is your pata this is your patent. This patent can be sold it. So this is the what? Fabric structure, chemical treatment, all these things, you can do it. So this is the what? This is the patent. Raw material paper, karma paper, sagi flame retardant, mai the saktaba, mai sangulosu, mai saktaba fiber. Adu gumure patent to way. Amana sagi process the processing to was the by spinning, enzymatic dyeing, many methods here, adu the sunan patent to way. Adigi functional textile product sizing asagi safe cleaning garment, moisture wicking uniform, antimicrobial bandage. Su mga yam senang patent to way nang puthok taragan. Kanang kani lotus ki kay gada kay lotus ki fiber si mana saba bandage si antimicrobial wale. Ay turmeric ki saba bandage si antimicrobial wale. Adu mo patent to way ba. Design di patent to way ate. It should be copyright or design the find the way. We shall again patent example. So this is the patent conclusion the lakh. So let us see here. People all start thinking. Now I think it is time for a designing thinking workshop. We have to design something. So kya karega? Money is there though. You see, money is there now. You have seen the money here, but you are here. But kaisa jana hai? Isme hamara team college of Central Agriculture University also can be part into this to that place. Now another idea. I have one idea. What to do it? What idea I am having? Let us see here. This idea. Pineapple waste. You make this what type of shirt? Diabetic shirt. I don't know what to do it, but idea I am giving. Just your diabetic food you have already have. Diabetic shirt nobody has seen. So I just make a one pineapple waste, I convert it to the diabetes shirt. I don't know what to do it, but you have idea. But you start working, you implement that one, find out, diabetes shirt, whole world will be after you. That is the idea creating. So that is a what? So our team, our Central Agriculture University also can join in the journey and whatever possible, even if you want the waste of the food process waste, we can link them the food processor so that you will have that one. So this is the one. So thank you, organizer Manipur International Textile Expo, for inviting me in this team. So thank you very much. Anybody can contact to our College of Food Technology, is the Lampheng Park, So you can contact us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, respected Sir Professor N.Z. Voyama Singh, Dean, CUFT, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Now it's time to thank all the dignitaries and all the respected people who are gathered here. So to kindly present word of thanks, may I invite Madam Akoizam Zosili, OSD, and Assistant Director, Design. May I Punamakpu Thagarwarol Pibiranabagitamak, Madam Zosili, stage to Koksinjari.
Good evening, everyone. Ngasi technical session workshop on driving green growth, a workshop on innovation and sustainable production practices. Haina Mingthonjaba workshop asida DICE member oina Lengsin Biribi Ming oina Hangacharabada Ekhoigidi esteemed leader Sri Ilangom Jiten Singh, Director of Handlooms and Textiles bu Thauromasi bu Mapung Pahan Bibakidamakta Hanna Thagachari Makata Zarapada, Professor N.G. Iboyama Singh, Dean, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Srimati N.G. Taibanganbi, Assistant Director, COFT, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Sri Motua Bahadur, Founder and Director, Motua Museum, Imphal, Dr. Ningombam Yaifaba, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Manipur University, Srimati Chirom Indira, National Awardee Design, Sri Haubam Sukumar, Senior Designer, Sri O. Brozendro Singh, Proprietor, Eastern Dyeing and Printing Industry, Imphal, Mayam Pumna Bakpu, Subsanjaraga, Hanna Thagachari, Loina Loinana, Aikogi invitees, participants, officials, media partners, Aikogi Nusizaraba, weavers and artisans, Pumna Makhanna Thagacharaga, Soiki Bangam Kiba Yarabasu. Nakpigani Khansaraga Swaida Losinzarage, Kurumzari.
Thagachari, Madam Zosili, Officer on Special Duty and Assistant Director, Design, Mayam Puramakpu Thagarwarol Pibirambagidamak Hanana Thagar Fondukchari, Hausi Kwigi Makasatrak Poina, Designer Talk, Laze Masigidama, Kwigi, Nasigi Thoram Masigi. Language clip में हम पुनः लोइना लोइना ना designer sing अदोगा official sing थोरम सिमदी सरुग्यावी ना बाय दोना कोई गेंगा सिगी venue से द length होक पिरक लगा मस्तिकी designer तो कोसी बहुत सरुग्यावी हो हाय दोना सिंज़ लांगज़री बिके माइके दिखे नौलुक चरी designer talk topic interior design with Manipuri handloom and handicraft hariba hiramasida कोई गे मस्तिकी designer तो कोसी तो जगदबने once again welcome you on the designer talk interior design with Manipuri handloom and handicraft. So for this session I would like to invite on stage Srimati Krishna Mehta, creative director, Krishnan Mehta Studio. First of all I would like to invite with great honor I would like to invite Srimati Krishna Mehta, creative director, Krishnan Mehta Studio to kindly take your seat on the dais. Next Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey. Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey. Madam, you are also requested to kindly take your seat on the dais. Srimati Madhumita Sarkar Guha, founder, CEO, Lux Living. Srimati Madhumita Sarkar Guha, founder, CEO, Lux Living. Sri Arjun Borali, business head, NE Silv. Sir and Madam, you are also kindly requested to kindly take your honorable seat on the dais. And I request all the designers to kindly attend this session. Ngasigi Thoramasigi designer session asida yaubinana bagidamak leng berakliba designer model amadi official singna ngasigi venue sida Thoramasi yaubinana bagidamak hana nolokchori designer talk on the topic interior design with Manipuri handloom and handicraft. Ngasigi hiram asida wangang bigitaba sing Srimati Krishna Mehta, Creative Director, Krishan Mehta Studio, Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey, Srimati Madhumita Sarkar Gua, Founder CEO Lux Living, Sri Arjun Borali, Business Health, Annie Self, Textile Designer from Cluster implemented in Manipur. Aduga akhoi ngasigi designer singsina wangang ba loiraba matungda akhoi designer singna wari batai sanabagi wahang pakhum taunanabagi khoi matam amasu leijai maramaduna nganglingai matamda akhoi maruoriba akhoi speaker singna nganglai matamda maruena tabinanabagi dama khoi yamna maruoiba maramna akhoi designer sing lengthok piraklaga khoi ngasigi thariba chauki sida lengsin biraga ngasigi sigumlaba designer talk asida sarugyabiu haiduna. I request all the official and designer to kindly attend this designer talk session. Lengsin Biriba, Ngasigi DICE member Singbu Hanana, I warmly welcome DICE member and the speaker of today's designer talk session. We are honored and delighted to have such valuable personality amidst us today. Before we proceed our designer talk, we wish to take opportunity our speaker, our respected guests, to welcome, to honor with Lengyan and traditional gift hamper. So I would like to request our director to kindly present, to kindly honor with traditional Lengyan and gift hamper. All lady officials are requested to kindly. Okay, all right. Presenting Lengyan and traditional gift by our Director of Handloom and Textile, Manipur, Sri Alangwam Jiten Singh. Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to invite Srimati Krishna Mehta, Creative Director, Krishnan Mehta Studio, to kindly speak about the topic interior design with Manipuri handloom and handicraft. Ahan boina khoi ngasigi designer talk asige Srimati Krishna Mehta, Creative Director, Krishnan Mehta Studio na khoi designer talk asige ahan ba warol thambigani. Hello.
Hello, Imphal. How are you today? So, well, before I start my speech or whatever we have to say, I would ask you to do one thing. All of us on the dais, sir, all of us on the dais, if you can all stand up for me. Just stand up where you are, wherever you are, everybody. Just stand up. Voila. Is everybody standing up? Khade ho jao, aaram se, sab log. I want everybody to stand up. Now, I want you all to raise your right hand. Just raise your right hand. All of you, sir. Thank you. Now, I want you all to close your eyes, yeah, and raise it a little higher or as much as you can. Are your eyes closed? Believe in yourself. Close your eyes and raise it higher. Higher. Now, just close your eyes, let the eyes be closed, and let the hand go just 2 inches higher. 2 inches. Voila. That's it. You can put your arms down. All I'm trying to say is, that you need to have faith in you. When I said raise your hands, you raised it here. When I said raise a little higher, you could go. When I say little higher, you could still go. Which means that we have so much potential in us. हमारे अंदर में इतनी ताकत है, but हम उसको टैप नहीं करते हैं. We are not tapping our potential. If we tap our potential, अगर हम अपने आप को अंदर से देखें, please sit down. It was just a small exercise that I did to show you that we can do something, you know. And I want to inspire the designers here because आज आप हैं, आपके हाथ में बहुत ताकत है और आप कहाँ से कहाँ जा सकते हो. आज आपका अगर महीने का या तो साल का सपोज 10 लाख है तो आप उसको 10,000 लाख कर सकता है. यू कैन ग्रो 10x 10 times. बट एक फॉर्मूला है, तो वो सिर्फ इतना फॉर्मूला एज अ डिजाइनर. हम तो ज़्यादा बिजनेस का आई मीन वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट टुडे एज डिजाइनर्स एज मैन्युफैक्चरर्स कोई चीज़ें हैं जो हमको सीखनी है. बहुत लोग आए, बहुत लोग बोल के गए मणिपुर क्या कर सकता है, मणिपुर में क्या है, हमारे में क्या ताकत है. एवरीबडी हैज़ बीन प्रेजिंग what Manipur has, what Manipur can do, where we can reach. But who is it that's going to take Manipur there? Manipur को वहाँ पहुँचाने वाला कौन है? आप. अगर आप में वो कुछ है जो आप चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हैं. Today you all are women, you are mothers, you are wives, you play so many roles and you still run a beautiful business. I saw the work that is done is immensely beautiful. और यहाँ के हवा में कुछ है जो सबको वापस बुलाता है. There is something here which is calling everybody back. This is my 4th trip to Manipur and I would love to come back as much as I can. There is something here. So I also have a dream that what Manipur can do. And today I would also like to tell you that you can also dream. When you wake up in the morning, if you think about what you want, and don't let your dream stay on your pillow. आपके तकिए पे आप अपना ड्रीम छोड़ के खड़े मत हो. Don't wake up with your dream on the pillow. Take the dream with you. Walk with it. Stay with it. Eat with it. Drink with it. There is nothing then that cannot be done. So this is all I'm saying, that when everybody was saying, सारे हर एक स्पीकर्स आए, वो बोलते थे कि आपको कुछ नया करो, नया कलर्स लाओ, नया मोटिफ लाओ. तो ये जो नयापन लाने की बात है, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, वो एक्सपोजर से आती है. यू नो, व्हेन यू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन, आप अपने ही जगह में रहे तो उतना ही बना पाओगे जितना आप बनाते हैं. Come out of your comfort zone. Difficult है, push करो. It's not easy to do anything. आज the first person who reached moon, yeah? कोई ने सपना देखा था, somebody had dreamed of going to the moon. When the dream was there, to make the dream come true, there was a rocket that was invented. There were astronauts who got ready. There were so many things that eventually happened. But the dream was there. So you start with the dream first, and then the means will follow. I would very much thank Sir and all the organizers of Manitex, because within 15 days, Sir was saying that he has brought this whole thing up, which means in 15 days, if you can create such a big event, what can you do with your production? What can you do with your styles, with your fabrics? There's a lot that you can do, but only you can do. आप ही को अपने को टटोलना है, study करो क्या trends है, क्या market में चाहिए, और पूरी team पीछे है. We are all there to help you. I would say that I would leave my personal number, my personal email ID for everybody of you. And whenever you do something, you're most welcome to send me your designs. I'm not saying that I'm the best, but it is just that एक exposure होता है. We have worked in the world. We know what each country wants, and we can help you this way. I myself will give my services to you 24/7 whenever you want. So आप कभी भी पूछो, and आप हिम्मत से आगे बढ़ो, and don't give up. And take a bold step. You have to come out of your home. You have to come out of your small little cluster. You need to think big now. तो एक बड़ा सोचो तो बड़ी सोच से हम बड़ी चीज कर पाएंगे. And we will ask sir and everybody else to see what we can do. Government is providing you with so much of different kind of aids and rebates in the cost of the fabric and the yarn and everything. But everybody fabric looks the same. What if we make it different? Do you know that we all buyers are going around? We want something different. If you have something different, that's beautiful. And we stop there. You've already got a customer. You want people to stop. People को आके आपके स्टॉल के पास एक बार रुकना है. फिर एक बार रुक गया, फिर इसको कन्वर्जन करना आपके हाथ में है. रुकेगा कैसे? जब आप कुछ अलग से बनाओगे, रोज नया अलग से बनाओगे. आप 1 इंच नया सोच के वीव करो, रोज नया कलर्स लेके आओ, नया वीव्स इन्वेंट करो, कुछ अलग से सोचो. आप मैगजीन्स देखो, इंटरनेट देखो, सोशल मीडिया देखो, पिंटरेस्ट देखो. So many means available to us. So why are we doing the same thing? I would really urge all of our designers. It's a small group, but it doesn't matter. It's better it's a smaller group. Because we will interact personally. I will handhold you. I will help you. From my side, I will mentor all of you. I have done enough in life, and for me, if I can get to do this, I'll be the happiest. हम आपको दुनिया भर का एक्सपोजर लाके दे सकते हैं. आप अपने वीव से क्या कर सकते हो, आप क्या अचीव कर सकते हो. So I guess this is all that I can say on behalf of me, on behalf of Pratima Pandey. You're going to hear her. She's also a beautiful designer from Delhi. We also have another designer from Japan, Yuka, that she had spoken yesterday. तो सब आके थोड़ा बोलते जाते हैं. अब पता नहीं आपने क्या रजिस्टर किया. तो आपको समझना है, जो डिजाइनर्स आते हैं, बोलते हैं, समझाते हैं, आप किस तरह से अपने काम में उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो, है ना. क्योंकि आपका जो बिजनेस है वो बढ़ाना है. अभी मणिपुर को इतना नहीं रहना है. मणिपुर को चीर के दुनिया के सामने खड़ा होकर रहना है. तो उसके लिए I think हम मेहनत करेंगे. Do you think we all can promise today? You think we all can promise? Just tell me who's gonna do it. Raise your hands. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we want more people. Yeah? So you need to work harder. We are here with you. Get yourselves together. Get your act together. Please take my email ID. Let's start communicating. And before we have the next show, we're going to do something which is going to bowl the world over. You think we can do it? Hip hip! Hooray! Voila! Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let us know, and I'll hand over the mic to my colleagues.
Thank you very much, Srimati Krishna Mehta, Creative Director, Krishnan Mehta Studio. Now, let me invite Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey, to speak over the topic interior design with Manipuri handloom and handicraft. And all the designer and the official, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯍꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ official ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯪꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ. Now, requesting Madam Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey, to kindly deliver over this topic.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me here. all the distinguished guests, respective dignitaries, fellow designers, Krishna Mehta and everyone here, and the extraordinary artisans of Manipur. Thank you for having me. It's a great honor to come and share my views about what I feel that we can do. I'm here in a land with beautiful culture and excellent textiles that I witnessed. And what I realized that every thread here is telling us a story. And I'm here reading that story and trying to understand what I can do for that story. So thank you. I feel it's a great honor to be here. Okay, where do I start? I am a designer with a brand called Prama. Prama by Pratima Pandey. And you know what my brand says? Prama is a Sanskrit word which means beauty with intelligence in Sanskrit. And I think we all have to believe in that, and we have to do exactly that. We have to intelligently place handloom for the world to see and witness what we are trying to say through our looms and through our threads. Okay, now going back to what I can do for Manipur, I think the textile is immense. We can really do a lot together. At Prama, we have always believed that craft is culture in motion. That what is handmade carries with it a spirit of the maker, the rhythm of the tradition, and the quiet innovation of time. When I look at Manipur textiles and handicrafts, I see living expression of that philosophy. Manipur's textile language is deeply poetic. I feel it's beautifully poetic, from the Phanek and the Inafi, and that women drape with grace, and Moringfi, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, with its delicate temple borders and meaningful motifs. These textiles are not just garments, they are woman expressions of identity, of womanhood, and of belonging. So at Prama, we wish to collaborate, not to repeat. Okay, our vision is to bring Manipur weaves and craft traditions into a dialogue with contemporary designs. We're creating pieces that carry both local soul and global appeal. So I usually do a lot of layering in Chanderi. I've been doing Chanderi for the past 14 years. So it's a textile that I fell in love with, and so I do, the outer garment is all Chanderi, which is silk, which is, you have to have the textile a little away from your skin, and the closest textile that should be close to your skin is cotton. So all my inners are 100% cotton. So I feel I can replicate the same using the Manipuri textiles. My layering is a super hit across the world. People wear it as I make it, just the way I design it. It's a modernized version of a kurta. That's what I do. And of course, we do a lot of saris. A lot of people buy it as is. So I think somewhere I'm doing my language of it's appealing to the West and as is for the Indian audience and for the Western. So I feel just changing the textile might just make a lot of sense. And I can continue using its purity of Manipuri textiles. I also found the dance of Manipuri very interesting as an inspiration, the color combinations. But yes, we have to look at, it's very poetically, I feel. I'm a purist, and I feel when I look at any other textile, I always like to make it and take it as is, with a little bit of modification. So I think I'm going to look at the textiles more closely and see what we can do together. So beyond textiles, I also found the Manipuri handicrafts very interesting, the endless possibilities for design thinking, I feel. The Karuna grass weaving, bamboo, and the cane handicrafts, handmade accessories can embody an ecological sensitivity that is so relevant of today. I think it's very important that we can use it as is. these materials, I think I could visualize a clutch, I could visualize design elements that can be made into many other things. So I think that, since I think once you come to a different place, this is my first trip to Manipur, and suddenly getting exposed to the possibilities is very humbling. And I feel there's a lot that can be done. I'm very emotional about the weavers, and I feel we have to listen to what the weavers also have to say, and not to change anything. So having a balance between what they want to say and what we feel the world wants is the right balance. And that's where, as a designer, it's your responsibility to do that. And I feel Manipur is a very, very sensitive state. It's very emotional about what they do. And I wish I can sort of translate them for that, for them into the international world. So it can be something like hand-woven in Manipur and designed by Prama, which I could take it forward to the next level. So such collaborations are not just aesthetic, they are also ethical and ecological. They give voice and visibility to the artisans. They create livelihood while presenting heritage. They remind the world of sustainability begins with respect for the hand, for the process, and for the place. So as a designer, I believe future in fashion lies in these connections, where tradition meets innovation, where rural meets urban, where every piece carries a story worth telling. So Manipur, with the unparalleled textile and craft legacy, offers us a chance to weave not just fabrics, but a new narrative for the Indian design. So one that is inclusive, rooted, and forward-looking. So at Prama, we are deeply committed to being a part of this journey, to celebrating the artistry of Manipur, to collaborating with its weavers, to carry the essence of the craftsmanship into the global platform. So because of this endless, luxury is not access, it is excellence. And excellence, as Manipur teaches us, is always handmade. And I believe handmade is our strength, and we need to take it to the next level by design intervention. With the experiences of designers like we are here, we can give you that exposure, and together, and I think as a collaborative effort, we can take it forward. So I just want to conclude that thank you for having me, and wish you all the very best. And I think here is a great future ahead of us with our textiles. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Srimati Pratima Pandey, Prama by Pratima Pandey. Requesting to all the participant, official and designer that after this designer talk, we have arranged interaction program related with today's topic. So any questions can ask to our speaker regarding to this topic. So all are requested to kindly attend this session without fail. It is a golden chance. So next, I would like to invite Srimati Madhumita Sarkar Guha, founder, CEO, Lux Living, to kindly address the gathering.
Namaste, good evening everybody. Thank you, Director Sir. Thank you everybody from the state of Manipur to bringing me here to the city of Imphal. This is my first time here, and I am really thankful for the pristineness of the air and the beauty of the handicrafts and the things that I have seen in the past 2 days. So a big thank you goes out to all of you here, showcasing your products and explaining with detailing as to how much time it takes and what effort it takes to make one piece of clothing or one piece of fabric. I am Madhumita Sarkar Guha. I have been a serial entrepreneur for the last 23 years. I started out as an interior architect in Kolkata. My firm practices till date, and we handle projects of all measures from residential to hospitality to corporate spaces. So being from the interior architecture industry, I switched over to textiles in the year 2016 क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि there is a huge gap where in India हम लोग जो टेक्सटाइल्स हमें हमारे घरों में बनते हैं और हमारे घरों में सजाए जा सकते हैं वो हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम फैक्ट्री मेड प्रोडक्ट्स उठाते हैं, फैक्ट्री मेड कुशन कवर्स, फैक्ट्री मेड कर्टन्स, ये सब हम उठाते हैं और सजा देते हैं. लाइक आई वॉज डूइंग इट फॉर ऑल माई क्लाइंट्स. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ब्रेक आउट फ्रॉम दैट एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू प्रोवाइड माई क्लाइंट्स अ वेरी क्यूरेटेड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैविंग home furnishings which is handmade, hand embroidered, hand embellished. And because I was situated in Kolkata, I was in the middle of a huge craft heritage which Bengal offers. So मैंने Bengal पे focus किया and interiors में अपने projects में मैंने home furnishings डालनी शुरू की which was inspired by Bengal craft. So we started out with Jamdani cushions. We went into Kantha runners. We did a lot of embroidery, Kantha embroidery cushion covers, so bed sheets and everything. So in that space, I found that there is a lot of scope that can be done not just with Bengal craft, but also with the craft that we have from the rest of India. So you see in the north and the west of the country, we already have so much of block printing ka kaam, jo hum block printing ke cushions, runners, every product has been has been made using these crafts. But here, coming to Manipur, it's like a hidden gem. So all the things that I saw in the last 2 days, I think that can be brilliantly used and it can be incorporated in all the home furnishings that we are making and exporting, in fact. So Jessica, our designer here from the Mega Cluster today, was so kind enough to show me around and explain very patiently as to what she has been doing with her cluster as a designer. And the challenges, there are challenges and bottlenecks, as sir was also describing the other day. But the whole point of design is to overcome these challenges and to find how to unblock the bottlenecks. So yes, there are so many motifs that are emotionally connected, culturally connected with the life that you have here. But weaving around them, or if we are able to design and implement ways in which the color combinations, the motifs, the entire usage of the fabric can be engineered to suit the global audience's preferences, I think that way we will be able to push Manipur handicraft and handlooms on a global audience, onto a global stage. Heirloom Naga is a company which is based out of Nagaland, and she is doing tremendously good work in promoting Nagaland handicrafts and handloom into the global space. So I think Manipur has that space barren as of now. It's a virgin territory, and we are looking out at designer collaborations as to how that can be done, how things can be brought about, and we can push those kind of products. It doesn't have to be the regular run-of-the-mill products. It can be anything. The kind of textiles that you're doing, the finest of yarns are being used. The best of silk is being used. And in fact, the kind of jamdani that we have in Bengal, it is so similar here, which I saw today in all the Rani Fi that is being woven and sold. So there is so much collaboration that can happen. There's so much interaction and intervention that could be happening at a design level, and things can be given a new shape. They can be brought out into so many vibrant colors to suit the global market. And I think we have a wonderful marketing person from Netfi here who's going to explain to you as to what Netfi is doing with the products that Assam produces. So the same goes for Manipur. There is a lot of scope that can be explored and brought out into the home textile categories specifically. So there are products like coasters, like I supply to companies in Spain and other parts in Europe, where they're making coasters out of simple things, out of simple fabric, just stitching the outside border. So why can't we have one of your motifs there on the kind of coarse fabric that you're already making, give it a nicer finish on the edges, and just make it out in a desired size? I think it's that simple. Weavers, I understand at certain level there are blockages in understanding and in the mindset, but I think we will have to go around it in a very subtle way and bring about the changes. It's not going to be happening in a single day. We will have to have time and patience for it, but it is possible. Once they realize that their products are traveling throughout the world, they will be so much more happier and excited to do the next round of experimentation with you. So yes, what I saw in the last 2 days, there is a whole lot of scope. There is so much of excitement around it that can be brought about, and new products can be given shape. I am looking forward to great collaborations with designers. So whoever, sir, I'm looking forward to your help also. So if there are things that can be brought forward and I can intervene with my expertise in any which way, please tap onto me. I'm there for you. And as to the designers, best of luck to you. Come, overcome the challenges, and you're sitting on a huge mine of knowledge as well as craft expertise. So good luck to everybody, and thank you for having me here once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Srimati Madhumita Sarkar Guha, founder, CEO, Lux Living. And last but not least, Sri Arjun Borali, business head, and himself, textile designer from Cluster Implemented in Manipur. So you are kindly requested to lay down few lines regarding today's topic.
That's okay, perfect. No, sure. Good evening, sir, respected dignitaries, artisans, and my fellow guests. It's a privilege to be here at Moneytex. I believe it's happening after a gap of 2 years. It is a privilege to be here among one of the richest artisan artistic heritage of Northeast. The Northeast is a region where handloom is not just a craft. It is an identity, it's a livelihood, it's a cultural memory, and hold one of the strongest expression of women leadership. And within this landscape of Northeast, Manipur holds a very special place. The Fanek, the Moirangfi, they're not just textiles over here. They are stories, traditions that reflect the history and community value of the people over here. These products are not mass-produced commodities. There's a difference between mass-produced and the fast fashion that people are so used to. So these are products that takes a part of the artistic and the artisan's input in each and every one. However, even when the craft is very strong, the market often remains a challenge. Visibility, continuity of demand, and the fair value of the product. This is where an organization like Anishil, that's the CSR arm of Netfi, we are trying to work to build a bridge between the artisans and the market, where the marker's identity is honored, not lost. So, when we are talking about Manipur in specific, Chanu Creations, Renu Handloom, there's a agro-hortic organization called Diet Care, NTC. They use us as a market linkage opportunity, where the difference is that we ensure that the identity of the weaver or the brand remains intact. It is sold in the person's or the organization's brand name. Today, customers in India and globally are seeking authenticity, sustainability, and a meaning of the product that they buy. Our artisans have already created something that is exactly fills that void. People, consumers are looking for a story. All our products have the story. We need the story to be told. So what is needed is the brand identity, so that the products will carry the artisan story, the history, and the traditions with it. The market linkage for a consistent demand and design innovation. So like the speakers behind me were saying, they can give you the necessary input when we are talking about the design innovation. Like somebody was just saying, when there's a row of artisans selling product, the consumer will stop at those outlets which is slightly different, right? So try to push yourself, make stuff that would probably push the boundaries and stand out. It might be a very niche customer base, but they are customers who are willing to pay a premium for that niche product, the different product. So events like Moneytex are more than just exhibitions. They are catalysts. They give confidence to artisans that their heritage has value, relevance, and a future. Let us continue to work together, government, institutions, designers, artisan groups, to ensure that when a Manipuri textile product reaches a home in Delhi, Newark, Edinburgh, or Brisbane, it carries not just the beauty, but dignity, identity, and pride of the artisan. With this, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the honor and your warm welcome. Thank you so much.
Participant amadi khoi designer sing any question hangning belerga soduma khangbi wagi khudong chaba do pijari.
Hango mic pige.
Oh, mic already pige.
Mic lai bra. Hango hangada badin. No. Hango.
Designer, participant, anyone who can that can ask any question regarding today's topic. Today's topic is interior designed with Manipur handloom and handicraft. Masigi quick speaker Shingda Hangbina Nabugidamak.
Hello. Hi. Thank you for this opportunity.
Minga designation Gahan Haibira.
Okay. My name is Chanwo P. Hungyo. I'm a textile designer in Pungyar cluster. Actually, I wanted to ask this yesterday when we were having a discussion, but that there was a time constraint. So I just wanted to ask, not in particular, but to the four of you there. So after the interaction, I just wanted to, I was very curious, as in, like Ma'am Pratibha Pandey, like you said that, why change? You said yesterday, why change? Why change them? Why, if they are not willing to change? That is very true. And it hits me, like, okay, if I don't want to change them, if there is an alternate ways to bring our product to international market, how are we supposed to do then? So in that moment, I remember what Ma'am Madhumita, what you said. You work in home furnishing, Lux. What is that? Lux Living. Yeah, so I was very curious. We wanted to explore more products, not just our traditional items, but we wanted to explore more on interior furnishings, like maybe cushions, curtains, or home furnishings. So what can we do? Like in the hill area, we mainly use acrylic. Our weavers, they are not willing to use cotton or silk or other yarns besides acrylic. they are very comfortable with that. And besides that, like we have mentioned yesterday also, that our weavers, they are always stuck to the original traditional motifs and shawls and stools. So we wanted to know if we want to move towards home furnishing, then what can we do? How can you help us in that way? Like, let's say we'll stick to acrylic for now. What can we do with acrylic? Because from what we hear, from what we know, people from outside, they prefer cotton, silk, something linen, etc., not acrylic or not synthetic fiber. So what can we do about that? Can you please give some suggestions? Thank you.
Hello. I'm so glad what I was talking about, it did hit you. But yes, I come from a very old school thought that all the weavers who don't want to change should be allowed not to change. And willingness of others who are younger, who want to change and explore, let them explore. Having said that, I think I would like to give you an example of the Charu creation. I don't know if you've seen Indra's work. I think she's a very beautiful blend of what you could do for interiors. Because I just witnessed, I went to her place and we saw it was an organic platform, beautifully done, and they do interiors. She told us this is acrylic and that's cotton. So she has both, you know, and I think that blend is very important to understand. It's a very gradual process. You can't hush it up, you can't push it. I'm not from the interiors, I do garments. But looking at her work, I thought I could do interiors and I want to do interiors. And, you know, Manipuri textiles have a very unique style. And I think we have to enhance that style, not take it away. And please remember, like I always say, handloom is our strength. When we are getting into machines or anything else, even acrylic for that matter, or polyester, we have better players out there in the international market. We have China and we have all the international markets. So you're competing with the world if you're doing machine or polyester or acrylic. The minute you do, the local yarns and you do your local handloom weaving is where the strength lies. And I think we need to understand and evolve in that. Also, I think it's a slow process. We have to work on our designs. I think we are just in the right platform. Lot more Manitex will give you a lot more exposure. This is just the beginning, and I think just go with the flow. And we have textile experts, we have designers, we have people like us. I think now today when I've come 2 days, I'm here. There's a lot of food of thought. I don't know what I can do, but since I'm very old school, I'm not going to change much. But what I can do is what I'll try to incorporate. So I think please look at Charu Textile, Chanu Creations and Indra's work. I think that's a very, very good example to begin with. Right here under in Manipur and doing a fantastic job. So yeah, that's my one point of contact, I could say. And I think you can also really contribute somewhere.
So if they are not willing to work with acrylic, so that's going to be a bottleneck. And if you're wanting to fight that, you will not be able to fight that wholly, right? So let them design new things in acrylic. Just start with the first easiest small step, the lowest hanging fruit. So let them start with doing design innovations in acrylic. Select a few weavers. I think it's a very specific kind of a solution that I'm trying to give. I don't know whether it'll work or not. But still, select a handful of weavers who you think are willing to transition from acrylic to wool. or any other natural fiber. And in due course of time, the innovations that have been done in design, you can get them adapted into the natural fibers slowly. So it's going to take time, and acrylic, it's easier. We had a similar kind of a situation in Bengal where most 90% of the weavers are weaving saris using polyester blended cotton now. Because it's easy, because it doesn't tear, because it gives higher output, higher income. So that's one way of life. And if we are wanting to go back to the most sustainable, circular kind of an economy, where we are working with natural kind of textiles, it's going to be a very slow transition, but there is hope. That much I can assure you.
Good evening to one and all present here, and I would like to ask a question, ma'am and sir. Today, it was said that like when you produce something unique, you stand there and watch. And I would like to ask to all the dignitaries while exploring this many stalls that we have, that if you find anything unique from all the products in handloom and handicraft produced here, and if there is any suggestions you would like to make these products as an exportable products. Thank you.
I think there was a lot of uniqueness when I saw. I mean, that's my thing. But also, I was looking at more of practicality. Where will I fit in? Where will I keep it? How expensive it is, like anybody else would do. And I think there are a lot of products which stood out, of course, color-wise, what everybody was doing, and there are a couple of people stood out in terms of color placement, how they did it. And we bought it, by the way. We all went shopping, and we were all looking for something unique, and that's exactly what we did. And I think that is one point of understanding what we are picking up. I think that's a very good head start for you. But having said that, uniqueness is, I think, a lot of innovation. It's with what you have. You know, you don't have to go bilkul berserk, but changing placement of the motif, changing the color, changing. These are very few little innovations what one can do. And I think it's a lot of brainstorming. We can't just come here and just say change. It doesn't work like that. You have to change slowly. And a lot more ideas. Like we said, people from all over come here. A lot of ideas are dropped in. So I think it's a process. You can't really say change completely. And but standing out, I think it's like even if I'm designing every collection every time, I try and like I'm telling you my philosophy. I introduce something, one point which is absolutely new and unique. So in my whole collection, it looks the same, but when you come close and up close and see, there might be an innovation of chicken curry embroidery, which is done with a little twist. My motifs change, my placement change in the same regular kurta. So, and it sells. So it's it's a philosophy, it's an understanding, it's a process, and it doesn't happen overnight. So. I think we are just suggesting because this is the point to make a difference, you know. So, yeah, I think if you want to add something, or do you want to add something? Yeah? Yeah? Thank you. I hope that answers you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir, ma'am. Actually, we designers have run through a lot of dead ends at the moment sometimes because we have seen a lot of designs that's been repetitive, over the years. And we have tried changing colors, we've tried changing the layouts, the patterns and everything. But sometimes when we look for the trend, we go for minimal very subtle kind of designs. But will that design be termed as, traditional according to the market itself? Or like if we somehow change the design, like simplify it, will it still be helpful for the market itself? Like, for globally, like for standing out, like, putting our, like Manipur tradition as a platform, would that be good?
Hi. This is a very valid question, and as a designer, I can understand your plight. I can understand what you're going through. Sometimes you're doing different things and it just doesn't work. You do not know what is the right formula. So I guess, yes, one thing is a lot of exposure. We need, and that can be also in the form of ourselves getting out and seeing what is it that the world is doing, what is it that they want. And I was just speaking to Director Saab right now, and we were thinking of getting batches of 3-3 to be exposed, to be sent to different centers where you can learn, where you can see, where you can be exposed, for like a 1 week thing where you can go there within the country. Maybe Jaipur it can be, maybe it can be Delhi, or it can be in Kutch, it can be in Pochampalli, which is south of India. So different parts of this country. So that is the only way that we will be able to address our questions. नहीं तो हम गोल गोल घूमते ही रहेंगे. We are going to run around in circles and be frustrated that we haven't found the answer. And this is not right. So it was a suggestion from Director Saab right now that we've been talking, and we will chalk out a plan as to how, please correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, we will chalk out a plan as to...
It is never wrong. I believe in that completely. And it's been 16 years into the industry. I still fail, but I still get up and I still start. So I think just hear yourself, what you want to do and what you really strongly believe, follow that. I think, and if you want the West to also hear you, strike that balances and without losing it. I think we are very proud Indians. We all want to stick to our roots deeply, and I think that's where our heritage is still alive. We have to know that. Trust me, our granddads didn't stand for what they believed in. It wouldn't have passed on to us. It is with us because now it's our onus and our responsibility how we package it beautifully to take it to the next level. And that's our responsibility. So what you want to do is what you have to believe in and then take it forward. I think that's all I would like to add.
Hello, ma'am. I'm one of the textile designer from Mega Handloom Cluster. So it's a very typical question, but I still want to ask you, through your experience, we want to know, okay, what are the international buyer actually looking for? Like, we want to know.
We have a wonderful international buyer here. Yuka. Yuka is a buyer from Japan. And I'm going to hand over the mic to her, though she's sitting and having her tea. Please, Yuka, this is a very important question, and if you can help address this, it would be very nice, yeah?
Thank you. Hi. Regarding your question about what can be done, you're stuck. I also sometimes stuck if it suits for my the market or not. I normally export to Japan and France. And then always what I have to be careful with about the, like I said yesterday, for me, it's about the colors. Because our style is very basic, which I think I had some idea from Japanese style, converting to different colors. So it's always experimental. And I think that is the way it should be. And then as far as Manipuri textile that your guys are doing, motif is fantastic, traditional fantastic. I think that is your strength. So I don't want you to change that. but to make it by, for example, using different yarn, different fibers, or different colors, or add the more motif in a different way, or maybe you can mix with your weaving along with embroidery, or along with the tie and dye. I don't know, some experiment. I think it would be a good idea to have a little, little difference. That's all I can say.
Good evening, everyone. So far we have talked about the design, the motif, and the colors, and like how the Manipur weavers are making all these like unique clothing. But how do we make them open their eye when it comes to export to the other countries? Because most of the weaver, they don't, even though they have the idea about the export, they just cannot come out from the comfort zone. So how do we influence them to just like give the idea about the export to the other country? How do we upgrade? Like we already have the unique design. The fabric is like we cannot even say like how the people like love the fabric, but how do we make them open their eyes when it comes to export?
Can you just repeat the question? I'm very sorry. I just missed a part of it.
Okay. So like we have weavers, we have more than 2 lakhs of weaver. So in terms, when it comes to like export, we already have like skilled weavers, and then like best motif, and then when it comes to export, people like the weavers, they don't want to come out from the export like comfort zone. So we just like the designers, like the CDEs and the officials are trying so hard for, like, but the thing is the artisan, they just cannot come out from the comfort zone. But we are trying our best, but still, how do we capture them when it comes to export?
Look, there's 2 parts to it. First is, let the artisan do what they do best. They are best in making products, right? That tell the story and the tradition. Among the artisans, there might be one who would be slightly more entrepreneurial, or the designers for the matter, who can basically take the best and convert into stuff that is needed across the world. So yeah, I'm saying like if the traditional sari or a fanek, probably it will not work in the international market. But if we use the traditional motif, make stuff like runners, coasters, curtains, drapes, those would work. Look, the thing is that there are a lot of geometric patterns that the Manipuri design artisans weave. And from whatever interaction I have had with foreign buyers, it's very easy, like compared to other motifs, it's very easy to push geometric patterns. And we have the colors that actually have a global appeal. So I think that way, it shouldn't be that tough for you. Secondly, you've got people from the industry who are sitting at the dais who can guide you, and you've also people like Indira Di, who's also in this export market for a pretty long time. They'll be there to help. If you're asking from as an organization, NETFI, in the Expo Mart, we have our own permanent stall. We give space to budding entrepreneurs and artisans who they want to interact with the buyers, for which we don't charge anything. So that's something you can also check for and use us for. Thanks.
No, just one more thing I wanted to add was motivation is a skill you have to develop if you want to build teams. Even when you have children, you have to motivate your child to do something. when he is just standing, you motivate him to take the first step. How do you do it? The same way you have to imagine yourself. If they are your weavers, you are the mother. If they are your children, how would you motivate them? Sometimes you have to scold them. Sometimes you have to give them a candy. Sometimes you have to pamper them. Sometimes you have to pat their back. So you have to use all these different sayings to work with the weavers. It's very simple. I mean, this is no rocket science. Everywhere we all face the same problem, be it weavers, be it tailors, be it block printers, be it anything, embroiders. We have so many different people that we work with, and this motivation is something that you have to think of it, you know, how to do it. Find different ways to do it, because it is important when your weaver stays motivated, you will be able to get what you want. Figure out ways of doing it. I think it's necessary to keep them motivated, and that is a big thing. And you'll get what you want eventually.
Ma'am, punamakpo thagatchari. And that brings us to the end of today's session, Designer Talk. I would like to thank to all the designer participants and the attendees who attend this session, and respected speaker, Srimati Krishna Mehta, creative designer, Krishna Mehta Studio. I'd like to thank Srimati Pratima Pandey, Pramabai Pratima Pandey, Srimati Madhumita Sarkar, Goa founder, CEO, Lux Living, and thank you once again, Sri Arjun Baroli, business head, and himself, textile designer from cluster implemented in Manipur, and thank you once again, our director, Sir Elangbom Jiten, director of Handloom and Textile Manipur. We hope akoigi ngasigi session asi yamna nungaiba yamna kanaba session ama oi haina aina longze. So matang asida ngasigi session asi loishinjari, and before we wrap up, let me acknowledge our organizer, Department of Textile, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Director of Handloom and Textile Manipur na sinduna pangthok choriba ngasigi ahum suba numitki pangthok choriba koigi ahum suba session Designer Talk matang asida loishinjari aduga punamakpu amuka hana thagarba phongdokchari. Ekoi evening session da muk isai nongmai ga loina na mayam unasi athuba matam da ekoi hauna na bagi sem sajari.